Wagwan ENT.
This is the semi-final, and people, there can only be one winner tonight. Two son go home. Any man will win the Clash Ghana final, which is the 26th of August. You understand? Whole heap of money if you win. You understand? Whole heap of giveaways also. So right now, people calling on stage right now for the first time. Krazy Dawg, full of 10-minute vocal round start. No!
Yo, this is Martin representing for Krazy Dawg sound in a book. Big up yourself, say me, Chris J, Hyperton, Perry, Budjo Color, ends out. Yeah, man, watching them, man, carefully. Yeah. Okay. Well, in come the man called Mortimer. Them better overstand. We there in at the place with Krazy Dawg sound. Watch it, hey, and every sound a sound. And none of them boy they no bad like Krazy Dawg sound. True them see we son no bad that think we not go step. Better overstand yourself, you no bad that I'm a granny crap. No, yeah. Oh, yeah. Krazy Dawg sound of the dub shot to kill some guy. Try all they want, they couldn't conquer. Murder them sound, tell them anytime, Lord. Wait. And a dub shot to squeeze, this is no fist fight.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, but them a bump
Krazy
up
Dawg
flat
sound of the dub shot to kill, to steal. Shot all they want, they couldn't conquer us. Oh.
Krazy Dawg. Ooh. Son boy, listen. Bet you didn't know Krazy Dawg would have murder you. Idiot son boy. Bet you didn't believe we could have make it through. Jumping sound boy. Well, if he thought this clash would last forever. Some boy, Krazy Dawg, him got a dubplate to kill you. Krazy Dawg gonna murder you. Crazy.
Oh, na, na, na. Yes, oh. Oh, na, na, na. Made it try, but could not test Krazy Dawg sound. No. Made it try, but could not just chop down. Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money. Yes, I'm thinking that's what it takes to take Krazy Dawg crown. Krazy Dawg, you play dubs, oh yeah, that's all jumping.
Krazy Dawg sound. Remember the days when people on the east side go out on the west side and listen Krazy Dawg.
First celebration, Krazy Dawg is the number one in Montego. This is the land of my birth, land of Krazy Dawg birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, land of Krazy Dawg birth. I will never leave her shore.
Listening to Krazy Dawg sound, we keep the people them rocking in the dancehall arena. Remember me tell you, when the sound test Krazy Dawg getting all go pretty. We kill a sound in every CD. Hey, so what the sound play nice. Chihuahua la la la, El Jamana. Incumbents they roughest sound from
Krazy Dawg. Yeah. The real general bout ya. Krazy Dawg will kill you soul in a sound clash. We will make you cry.
you're gonna die. Crazy Dawg, they are the champ. Killing sound, Krazy Dawg, don't drown, Lord. You will tremble when you hear Krazy Dawg play. From murdering you, son boy. Yeah. Krazy Dawg, and them take the trophy every time. So while there is no power on earth to stop me from murdering you. Well, yeah. Oh Lord, Krazy Dawg, your sound, mash up any vehicle about ya, yeah. In the midst of this sound clash, sound boy, when we came along to test Krazy Dawg, sound boy should know it by now. No many sounds would like to challenge Krazy Dawg, the champion. But let that sound guy try. Krazy Dawg sound is number one, and there would be no cause.
Traveling, man. Oh, this bad sound. They've been around for over a billion years. From earth began, yes. Been through a lot of changes. Been through a lot of stages of flesh and blood.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, with them a bum buck flat though.
And Krazy Dawg, travel the world. Travel the world to land to land.
Sing that, yeah. Praise that really big song. Yeah. On a night like this, you're feeling empty there.
Alright, right, you know this is a serious time. Violence and crime and a Krazy Dawg sound that kill some boy every time. Oh, Krazy Dawg kill them when we in the fire. Some people some better run away. Can't play the loves Krazy Dawg sound I play. No way. Ooh, hey, that sound boy. Krazy Dawg sound is so strong.
Look at you. Sound boy, we may be alive sometimes. When it comes to killing sound, Krazy Dawg no free. The big sound, the bad sound, Krazy Dawg sound. From afar I hear Krazy Dawg sound playing nice, and the feeling is laid back. We listen to sound.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, with them a bum buck flat though.
Krazy Dawg sound. Look, his sound is about to get dropped. But that's the big killer sound of born and raised. Nowadays we'll have beating sounds, yeah. Krazy Dawg is a sound we's here to play. We suggest you sit back and fly away. Sound boy, I am myself.
Yeah. Krazy Dawg, them no. Hey, yo, boy, I want them to come for them, man. Krazy Dawg are sent good over evil. We tell them say your life over death. So not right. We tell them say your child blessed. Krazy Dawg.
No. Krazy Dawg, how you doing? Them catch a bird in marijuana from a corner. You keep a corner, like a small. This with Krazy Dawg up on the oh, na. Yeah, na. Yeah. Krazy Dawg play sound so what? The little sound does I get so cold.
Time.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, but them a bum buck flat though.
That was Krazy Dawg. First 10 minutes. Make so nice to Krazy Dawg, no man. Nothing going good. Make so nice to Krazy Dawg. Mad Rush. Step up on stage, you know, youth, because for 10 minutes to start. For 10 minutes to start now. So, press something. Remember the bar, you know. See? That go and big up the people them out there. The clash here go nice. So press something to make we hear something, youth. As that. Here's 10 minutes start now. She wanna spoon? No, no turn up. No do that. Engineer, link up. Start now. I put on the microphone.
A mad rush. A son come test and get crushed. Original white mice from that time until this time. Christiana Sparling. All the man them hang tough. Run that. Father Lennox. Mad rush is a true sound. Aye. Mad rush play the true dubs and need not search no more. Mad rush is the true sound and need not search no more. Bless it. One sounds like a wandering sheep on this giant day. And a weak no one to love me. And a weak no one to care for me. And Jah shine his light.
Give my drugs some strength, oh Jah, oh Lord, I pray, oh God. Yeah. See Jah, give my drugs some strength to feel another sound. Take it along life's road and carry the heavy load. Give my drugs some the strength, oh Jah, to carry on.
Your sound, all over town. Yes. Watch those places you walk and mind the way you talk. Watch out with them sleeping sound who claim say that them smart.
Best in the world, I about
watch out with them jumping sound who claim say that them slick. But I bring in the splice of them become a shop the youths them dance all around the red. Mad rush sound kill another sound that. I run the red out of the red. Oh, yeah. Dance. Sha-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. My brother, so not go dead. That E that select out the behind it. Stand your point. Them so no upset. Neither them select out the behind it. Hear this, mad was so they want fit. Fit. Mad was so they want fit. Fit. Mad was so they
some boys,
want
some bad people, hey. I don't go to talking, I go to fire bullet to a boy face. Let the boy watch the face. Big gunman rise, wanna make no nice. But if it's all mad rush and get the shot between the eyes. Light upon the line, the fast just realize them get gunshot to them brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Sunset, you know I instant it. Use a black blunt just into your poop and neck. Use a double plate that up till it turn at them just to get gunshot to them. Tell them mad rush them and the sound. Killer, soul, snapper, we.
I bear us by the trading sauce with American Ferret. Hail to the Federation, most mighty eye. I'll see outside the first. Go again. Sit ya. Ha. I said the wicked sound will have to fall. Mad rush sound will have to stand tall. And the run sound on them go call. I know them sound against the wall them.
Some sound to kill, so let us kill. One more year, don't feel away when I'm on say.
Them never know. Sound boy should have know. Mad rush you up the tiger. Come on and tell me woo 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 woo. Just tell me who have the tiger. I wanna know.
Best in the world, I about mad rush.
Son boy, you're the reckless nature, and you're the plate with my thing. I know you reach at Mad Rush place. Now you started to delay in the middle of my station. Now with some boy about to flap the dogs. Mad Rush, go with the plate overall. Overall.
Oh yes. Mad Rush sound is a dancehall storm. Mad Rush sound, killing machine, breaking and fine.
It's all about the Mad Rush. Mad Rush say, remember when Mad Rush sound say, dance all about mad. Whoa, sound boy better run away now. Yes. Whoa, yeah. I'm Mad Rush, you know. Ooh. Mad Rush a tear off the roof from over the red. So let's give thanks and praises to the Most High God.
Yo, Mad Rush, what time is it?
Mad Rush, we they can't touch and such. We they can't touch and such.
Mad Rush, pass the dope on the left hand side, pass the dope on the right hand side. So now go dead. Whoa, Mad Rush, go.
One to them fool. The war between Mad Rush and the sound can't over. Now, wanna better back up on the sound and leave them before we just murder. Yeah, I said a
Whoa, 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 whoa. A Mad Rush sound, the real killing sound, yeah. And then me can't take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam. Mad Rush, you a go till another jump and.
Mad Rush, tell them figure right them will. You know this a murder clash. Mad Rush, give us some boy cook up. You know this a rumble jumble clash. The other them tests we said them more black flash. It's a murder
boom, and the captain says so.
Mad Rush.
Welcome like a gear up big sound play. Don't have to wonder who it was. Yes, from the sound of the drum and the sound of the bass, Mad Rush is in the town. It's the way of the selection that he throws down. Well, if a sound boy turning a fool when Mad Rush a play and you don't know what is a sound rule, idiot sound boy a fake fool head. Mad Rush will play for you. Just as long as you want it.
boom boom sound.
Mad Rush.
All over town. Love this champion sound and I would be shy to tell you this right now, right here.
Mad Rush. We they can't touch and such.
But I love this sound and I take the life.
So well I go oh Lord, as soon my pocket is empty, no ducks to buy, Lord. God knows he's hungry. Don't ask me why.
Mad Rush, we they can't touch and suck.
Rolling in the Lord.
Yeah, the Mad Rush sound. You're no longer a slave to him. Mad Rush, a child of God.
Listen. Praises be to your sound. Mad Rush, you're mighty. You're the ruler in the land. And we are your praises be.
Mad Rush kill them already. Ooh, yeah. Them man. I remember the days when things wasn't right, when mama held me tight. It'll play all through the night. When Mad Rush sound plays so sweet, I know what's gonna compete. Making sure we have the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise. Anthony Cruz, check this. Mad Rush. Them sound ya no in a weak loss. Tell them about them thoughts. This Mad Rush and we are going.
Mad Rush again. Mad Rush again. We gon' make it on the rain. Rim-bim-bim-bim. Rim-bim-bim-bim. Rim-bim-bim-bim-dum. Rim-bim-bim-bim. Rim-bim-bim-bim-dum.
Time. Make so nice in Mad Rush. Ain't going good? If ain't going good, boss a blank. Alright. War time. You want me like how you want to go on? Hey, remember say Jam Killer over there, so you know about the Tiger sponsor. So you want to go on. When I go just buy some liquor and get the thing active. See? And you know, see a matlock step up. You know, see I feel them 10 minutes ago start. Big up the ladies them coming so a whole heap of ladies turn out. I like it. Big up the thugs them. See? We know how it go. How that Prezi TV. Big up yourself, you know. You know the thing set. We like the war. All who like the war, boss a blank go pam, pam, pam. Matlock, press something, make we hear something there. At the right way. See? All right. Matlock. Your 10 minutes start. When you see me put on the microphone.
Son. Son.
See? Because we don't want to say I'm cheating out on the time, you know. See? Because 10 minutes is fine. You know. Big up Crazy Chris, you know. You know we're going to make this possible. Jam Killer. You know we're going to strike a sponsor. You see it? You know it's a Sound Clash Wednesday. It's hot. Tell me now, are you ready? Matlock, are you ready? See? Alright. Watch out now. The 10 minutes start now.
Matlock, good to grow. I will take them. They know where I go and ease the father Matlock. I don't know if I run the thing. Send on. Some boy say go away now. So I go dead. Them dead. Them dead. Matlock, tell them. Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Dust them already, we go and dust them again. Yes, we sound killer. Matlock West tonight. A Matlock sound. Big up man like Matlock. That sound a murderer sound. That style a murderer style. When you say murderer, we mean murder by death. Murder, murder. A gentleman dance out Godfather. Hear this. Murderer. Matlock sound a murderer. Oh Lord. Murderer.
We kill a song now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, oh yes. No kill a sound, Matlock, kill a sound, Matlock, kill a sound.
Paradise, send them crew. Whoa, man, but we tell the truth. Whoa, man. Matlock sound is #1 for a lifetime. Hear me now. Say, imagine I was just another lonely lost soul, trying to find that sound, but them all sound cold. There you were standing there, stand up as the champion. Hey, me I tell you. I started to take a listen and I could not believe to hear the boom selectors, the #1 MC champions. I know it. So now it's time for Junior Top to sing it. That's why I'm saying, ooh. Oh, wow. Ready for the unexpected. Matlock coming wicked. Matlock gonna hit them like a time bomb. Let them know anytime now we can explode. He made them like a time bomb. Some wicked tunes say him a fling no. Let me say, kill them and don't we I go kill them and in the day.
Yeah.
Alright, son boy, yes sir.
Matlock sound in the dance, and you know it's killing time. Hey son boy, You're not gonna live to see tomorrow. Hey, sound boy, if you even try, still your sound is gonna die. In this dance, tonight you will meet your sound.
No sound boy can't free. She grabs nobody and go for my clap sound. No way, them just can't free. She grabs nobody and go for this sound.
This is the Trinity long time, I'm one of the farming bills.
Burning, burning. Big champion sound, Matlock sound, yeah. You have no helmet. Well, heap of them can't believe, but now say Matlock sound, you know.
Ganja man, ganja ladies, bring over ganja babies. Every man, John ladies, every man babies, every man ladies. What? When Matlock feeling blue, all we have to do.
Matlock sound. Matlock is not for sailoring.
Because the word of the bad sound of the national anthem kill about 1 million of them, kill some more. Look at that, dance for you. Kill them sound fool for you.
Marvin, Matlock, champion sound a play. Yeah, Matlock a play songs with feelings, and them a talk.
My sound. Big bad Matlock giving them problems. Lives. Kill them, make them go on. No sound, no sound. Can't test the big bad Matlock sound. And no sound, no sound. Can't test the big bad Matlock sound.
Worries and problems. Matlock a murder sound boy tonight. No matter how some town a book and a bite, I said they must lose their life.
Killing a sound is so easy to do, and that's what Matlock's gonna do to you. It is not good for you to test this sound. Matlock sound is gonna murder.
Listen, sound boy tired. Matlock gonna kill them tonight, yeah. Alright, yes. A the big champion sound. A Matlock sound, yeah. Alright. Hey, Matlock, you mightier than them all. And whosoever fight the king shall fall. I tell your man, mightier than them all. Hey, none of them can go round our stall. Sound, honor. Lift up the name of my sound, Matlock. Yeah. Matlock sound killer jump and sound. Why? Matlock sound a killer jump and Matlock a fever now.
Them piece of them heavy and them brighter. Them test Matlock sound and I will a well. So them a go know it and they so them a go know him a the real champion for life. Hey, yo.
Harmony versatile, yes. Harmony versatile, Matlock. Harmony versatile, yes. Harmony versatile, Matlock sound you are. Son killer, shut off son boy do from my body pillar, father shower. Son killer, we kill him in the park or the dance or the villa. Helmet, son killer, the one ya Patamount and Michael Jackson thriller. Cheto you are, son killer, yeah.
Out of town, yes. Matlock sound, hey, Matlock. By a burn and weak sound, and them free time could I never get returned.
Someday, them day, yo, Matlock no last them way. Realize if he kill jumper.
Trendsetter, Montego Bay, Paradise Crew. You don't know it's a town of the strong one.
I see them talking with them screw face, wanting to take control.
Hotter than before. Hear me no matlock sound. Kill every bumbo clad clown. No jump and sound can kill.
The soundland, attack sound and we a killer jump and the soundland.
Welcome sound not true. Them this smart like and get slow, yeah. Who do you think you are? You're just a little dead sound.
They don't wanna let them out. They don't like nowhere. Tell them to go away. Let alone, let alone. Ah, yeah. Matlock. I don't know them sound. Ah, yeah. Matlock. No Matlock comfy. Lock down the city. We don't know pity. Don't I go dead like that.
Set to large and large. Helmet, lead out. Let them sound boy the blood bleed out. Hey, 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 yeah. The whole of my base taste of paradise. Crew. Yo and you. Yaga yo.
That's what black representing from Matlock sound, yeah. It was that woman next door who said she could take that smell no more.
Redemption. Alright then. Say them go burn down words. Can't tell Matlock fi go plant cassava.
Come make we hang them from a war. But we don't see the little thing from sound. When Matlock freedom. Bam bam bam. Sound boy. Hey. Matlock. When your sound don't play like it used to before. Matlock will chop your head off of your feet. Boy, all them sounds wanna play like you. Tell them I'm Matlock. Wanna get a people your dumb box stay. Tin pan you too fast. I've heard them say Matlock you're the talking tune. They did. So tonight we let them know Matlock I go kill them with selection.
You tell them so much about friends, but him not trust none of them. So much up when you want them article. Matlock now partial.
Please my Matlock rule over the time. Yes I climb any mountain and swim the deepest sea, searching for my sound. Matlock sound to play for me. So last time again.
Time. You're not special. You're not special more than nobody. Put on your hand out. Think a class here, you know. Here go on. Make so nice in Matlock sound, man. What's up, long for Matlock sound? And you know I go, you know. That round there are the singing round. And the bad. We go vote pan around here too, you know. Big up Nature Ellis, you know. Big up yourself, you know, youth. Our singer, you know. Seeing Crazy Chris and Jeff step up. And the accountant, them, you know. Them are going to count the finger, them, you know. See? Turn on the light there for me, now, please. Over the bar there, turn on the light. And dim the camera light. Can you know the warrior hot? All who say the war hot, say pom, pom, pom. All right. All right, here we go on here now. It's serious. And you know the next rounds I want 15-minute rounds. Anything in the 2000. But you see the rounds here now? We go hold a small vote. So Krazy Dawg, you go first. So watch you now. All who say Krazy Dawg win the round, let me see the hand them in the air and keep the hand them up there. Keep the hand them up there. Don't take them down. Don't take them down. Keep them up. And I'm going to put up 2 hands, you know, because we are count every hand, you know. So put on one of them. Kappa Zone, big up. You know again, remember the party, you know, cups up, you know. I remember the Sian party, you know, big up yourself, you know, out of flank up on the ball. Hey, on the netball court, you know, who that psycho. Okay, right, you know. Big up Sound Viper crew, you know. And there, you know what I think, sir. What go on? All right, we got 76 to Krazy Dawg. And you know that I one of the bad sound, that? 76. Say after me. How much you have for Krazy Dawg? 76. All right. What are 76 here now on tight? All right. Here we go on here. No. They have another bad sound when play after Krazy Dawg. Where the mad rush? Put up who's the mad rush that around? They put up the hand there. Let me see them. Let me see them. Let me see them. Counters, count. Two of the sniper, big up yourself, you know. Good at one place, you know. How that? Sean? Simon, big up yourself, you know, youth. All right, we have 38 for MADD Rush. 38 for MADD Rush. All right? Then we have, hey, don't booing. No, do that. Encourage the people, them, because I think it take boy for up here, so don't do that. Hold the boo them in our pocket like a money. Here what go on now? See? Yo, go forward for another sound. All right? Let me test the gun, you know. All who say war, say war! All who say matlock, take that on and let me show off hands. Let me see them. Counters count. All who say matlock, take that on and show off hands. Keep the hand them in the ear. Don't put them down. Keep them up. We are count. Keep the hand them up. Keep the hand them up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. I remember saying no profanity, you know. If you play back a song, you lose a point. And if you cuss a bad word, you can't say the colorful language in here, you know. Firebanks, big up yourself, you know. One me a done, you know. Jack Chris. I am also youth. One side like a light post. One a corner. Ja Brown, it's good. You run the town. Ting, 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 ting. All right. 120 for Matlock Sound. 120 and 76 for Krazy Dawg and 30 something for MADD Rush. So here we go on now. All right. So here we go on now. Matlock get 4 points. Krazy Dawg get 3 points. MADD Rush get 2 points. So here we know. Remember I know. Let me say it again. Matlock 4 points. Krazy Dawg 3 points. MADD Rush 2 points. Calm down, man. Relax yourself, man. I'm to your youth. Batman up here, so you know. Relax, youth. Calm down yourself. All right, but remember, as we said from the last clash, if we say vocal and a man play a song, that is not breaking a law or you're going to lose a point. That only show you say, you're not professional enough. We leave that to judgment. We not going to vote pan if a man play a DJ song and a singing around. Right, you understand? So if you play, that's on you. This rounds is 2,000 rounds. If a man go play a 90s song, you're going to look stupid. And you might lose a couple fans for that. You understand? So you're not going to lose no points if you play a song in the genre or whatever. Right? You understand? Losing a point only if you play back a song or if you cuss bad word. And you have to listen. You have to listen for counteraction too. Because a man will play one bounty killer and a man come back and play the same bounty killer one different way. Style and pattern. That is not a playback. Alright? So I can pick up the sponsor before we go to the second rounds. People, big up to Jam Killer, our official title sponsor. See the bar, the people, the blue back of them. Check out the deal. You understand? Very affordable. We also have shots at the bar for the ladies then. See? Cedric's Wholesale and Supermarket, Retail. You don't know about it and that. Pleasure 21 nightclub out of Danway. One of our main sponsors also. Saying, we have some more sponsors on the list. I don't want to leave out no sponsor, you know. Because you know, war next. People, I swear, them 10 minutes, there should have been some 15 minutes still. Yeah. But some of the time, the man, them ball. The crowd, them ball to say, sometimes the 15 minutes, them boring. So we can't cause the people, them. Ship it down. Remember, you're part of the sponsor. You're a shipping company. You understand? Company. Them get a free shipping. And them first pound free printing company. What's the name again? I never remember the name. You have to write the paper. So big them up, people. The body's printing, the body's posters and flyers. See? KRZ. So big up KRZ. You understand? Viper, what you do with the sponsor paper?
Now look, somebody if you blame. You think this is a blame game? What are you out? Remember the bar, you know? Remember to buy some water. See paper there. Wait, don't lock off the light yet. Alright, you good. Lock off. Hey, light man! Lock off the light! Because the juggling are different, you know. It a go crazy. I swear.
Also, big up PSI Professional Service Immigration. Saying, big up the Martins Mansion, Iron Shore, Ballandor Street Fashion. They don't know what Kenny Marital that. Top M Records, big them up same way. N-Spec Limited, they don't know a sniper from Flanker store that. The bad phone them and the bad this and the bad that. Still we link up the music room. You know we are waiting on Krazy Dawg.
Time. I run, you know. See, just drink some water, burn a spliff, smoke a cigarette. Big up the ladies, you know. I want to tell them someone to come out and look good. You see the woman there war?
Krazy Dawg!
So people,
motherfucking niggas, you know it's crazy.
So this is the 15-minute rounds. Krazy Dawg will kick it off.
Yeah, me no Krazy Dawg.
Remember Krazy Dawg, anything in a 2000. Keep it professional and keep it bad, because you know a bad sound. You understand? Anything in a 2000, from 2000 to 2026. DJ Headache.
Yeah, everything alright. Big up everybody way in here. Everybody way in here. Put up one hand in the ear. Me and looking at the crowd. All who know so no loyal to no friend them. Who no loyal to Father God, who no loyal to no friend them. Fire 10 blank in the ear. All who know so no respect, who now forward from. Fire more than that in the ear, no man. The man me know see you now sell out your friend for $100. You see when we play the song here, Krazy Dawg there, iPad and ready?
Them for no one critical representer, me I see how Krazy Dawg sound. I me I see how Booker, Bojo, iPad, Bad Stain, Eddie, I me I see how Perry, Stewie. Krazy Dawg sound a loyalty over everything, man.
All who loyal to your brother, they go say that here. Me are looking at the crowd. A Krazy Dawg there, a Tanisha. Got the team, you know.
Love me dance, she free.
What did that?
Listen to Rum chat. They up on the block and we consume out of the one pot. Couple get locked up, them so free out of the dungeon. Krazy Dawg, that general. Well on, rock at Gibraltar, so we firm. Live us so we let. Book up them off some on the bridges of the burn. We never turn out to the west. Champagne a French returns. But you do this for your mama, you know business about the girl. And if you rise against the team, fling under the dirt, protect the points. And for the kids and them, see the whether them to the
all who liar, muscle, we need them there.
Not forget the ones that
what me a talk about?
Bad stay in a family, not tell me about a friend.
All who know say bad mind can't stop in a life. Flat some blank in the year. All who know say you have to make it out in a life. A Krazy Dawg there.
Krazy Dawg son.
Every bad fight about here. A war we come, but we have to play some song. Yeah, some more ya dog.
I'm go da 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 da.
What you say?
It's like da 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 da.
Everybody boy, you go so no
Krazy Dawg son. Talking I dark and him still a fight. Only way if you clear the mind, I feel be a vibe. I know them hoping I cloud with a spliff a light. I know them mates can't fall like you take a flight. I know them singing like da 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 da. It's like da 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 da.
Hold on now. Level. In a life you go buck up on bad mind people. You go buck up on hypocrite. But you can't follow them in a life. All who believe in yourself, go so no man. Level. If you love Father God, let me see how now we have son of man. I want to wake up and we have to bless us. Every God bless me.
Yo, Bojo, high pattern call up, give me your why you feel worried about?
Nike start out and I feel work, sun a shine.
Level. Mister, you can't trust some of them, friend. You not even can lift your cup in the sun walk or bathroom. Some of them boy will kill you. All who say bad mind for that, go so. Go so, the man. Stay far from bad mind crosses people.
In a their own alien.
All who not trust people, go so, the man.
Kill so their own alien, yeah.
Crazy dog. What we are talking about? Where?
No friend feeling. Stay to it thing. And we not just some work that every finds we drink. Run your people.
Level back stage. Me tell us, you have some of them mankind here, them are hypocrites. They don't want to see our rise. All who say bad mind for that, don't just go so. Bad mind for that, go so.
Yeah.
Hey.
Run it
every father God fancy there.
Protect them, Lord. Protect them, Lord God.
We saw there tonight.
Protect them, Lord.
Crazy dog.
Walk.
Father, protect us from all of them. Crazy dog, build them on a sound, they no need jump on again. People will call us from them office, so we gone.
You see all dirty mad rush and the thinking beard one over here, so all you tamper, you're going dead in a boy. Hey, press them and shot them boy over here, so. Hey.
So we don't care if people man not go, we not go nowhere.
A crazy dog there.
Bust the gun when we out there. Crazy dog.
Hey, Batan, what we are doing?
Lift up the kill me dog. Kill everything in the blood clot hands. Bad man, they get no figure top part shot. Chop up in a head like say got upstart.
Hold on, level. Mr. Fry, you send out the IKation and you say the dirty Rasta boy, the overface of it dead. The fat boy, they put the deport the Rasta fat boy of it dead. Breastplate, man.
Turn it up and not again. Only enough we get them, no for that top and that them. So Christmas, remember we know.
We kill the dirty deported boy. What name? Helmet. Boy. You got dead tonight, boy.
I put the bury them. No, Buju. No, Froggy Ends.
We say, bro, we are going to kill son boy. Let me tell you this.
We be kill a son boy, and we mean it.
Level.
What's in the money?
Level more than that type of time. All who say Granville, fire 10 blank in the air. All who say Glock up head, fire more than that in the air. All who say force like a rabbit, you see the song you done? Sound of it dead tonight. You see the sound when you crazy dog?
Crazy dog. We know regular, my friend. Any city we scared of it, nonsense. Small about to me, she no want to send again. Force like a rabbit, girl, give me proper.
Level. But see, Mr. Me feel like it. Hey. Level. Mr. Me feel like it. Hey, me I go kill them son boy in the breastplate.
Yo, Booker.
Oh, no, I hear son.
Crazy dog sound.
Hold on.
Red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue. Crazy dog sound, can't kill you. Red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue. Any sound test with gunshot a flu goes up. Pepper. Gunshot upon them like pepper goes up. Pepper.
Level. Hold on, level. Turn it up.
Don't rate them.
Turn it up.
Me hate them.
Stop it. Me say tonight we are going to kill some of them boy. You see a nutty big G run up and down boy. Wind there. I want big G there. I want fling some off. Breastplate when me shot the boy.
Mr. I pattern. Badness for me. See, Perry, Bojo. Do some pussy.
All who say sound for that, go side of the ear. I will just shot them. Hey, man, shot them boy. See all the one helmet. You're dead in no helmet. Let me tell you no one go on tonight.
Crazy dog. You know see the pussy them a flip.
Sorry.
Give them everything in your clip. Give them everything in the clip.
Hold on.
Give them everything in the clip.
Level. We tell us our name Crazy Dawg. We gun them ever load. If a boy rise up them head, we just shot them in the head. Hey, press them in there.
Badness.
Every bad people in there.
No pussy
every
test.
gangster go to the man.
Room in the head.
Hey.
Yeah, man. Clappy rubber grip, pussy rubber
grip.
Body. Crazy dog, never fear nobody. Clappy rubber grip, pussy rubber grip. Hey, crazy dog, oh we go again. Anyway, them this is and this stuff we gonna slam. And when I gonna slam, me come in like we bust a bam. No for the mass up pussy, woulda rather broke a bam. Crazy dog, son, no place in no man.
Level. All who say sound for dead, say dead. All who say sound for dead, say dead. Hey, Bandit 13, talk to them boy for me no man. Turn it up now.
Yo, Crazy Dawg son.
What bandit them?
Big up Booker, Bojo, Enzo, Hyperdan, Carla, Bad Sean.
All who's the sound for that, go down in the ear.
Yo, Stewie, you know a code in a man.
We have bad sound in a real life. Now listen to this.
You know a for real. He built on the rifle, no go in a pants. Fling that cross me shoulder, steady balance. Be a iron wheel, leave one go axe ballang. Vanish and go brown like Timbaland. Ashman not take 50 clip no ram.
Watch out. Hold on, no. Level. Me tell you say tonight sound a go dead. Me say me a go shot man rush. And me a go shot Matlock. Let me rise up me gun now. Hey, press play up on this one. Look here.
Hey, Mad Rush.
How we 20 on them there?
This Krazy Dawg look up in a fat clap. So I say them
but this young artist them boy.
I say Booker, I say Eddie, I say DJ Stu, I say Hyperdan. What is some post? So I say one pen them and rap them.
Hey, big yaksa boy.
Bikila sound in no hard to do. Bikila sound in no hard to do.
Hey, 20
tell them. Bikila sound in no hard to do. Hey, and in no hard to do.
Hold on, listen.
Hey, tell them. Bikila sound in no hard to do. Bikila sound in no hard to do. So we tell them. Bikila sound in no hard to do. Bikila sound in no hard to do. Someone say bad listen.
Level bad saying. We say when we are kill them boy, we have to kill them intelligently. All who say Matlock for dead, fire 10 blank in the air. All who say we kill Mad Rush right now, put up your hand them in the air, the man. Let me tell you, we are kill them boy.
Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, Krazy Dawg kill a man. That the gang to the gang.
Me tell you, so we not give no boy no machine slap. From that boy, this, he better go clot out with the character. Let me tell you why.
Badness so great long time. I'm Mary Jeans.
Who they are tonight?
Krazy Dawg. Tell them see I'm blind. Me and wear my big uncle gold. Hey, Krazy Dawg.
Hold on.
Everywhere we gone there.
Level. Me tell you, see the baddest sound there tonight. Me can't tell you what we there, you know.
The fuck up in now. Drift.
Mr. Mac, we kill them boy.
Krazy Dawg
hey boy.
Acha, uno, more, kiba, yeah, stop. Oh, the winner, Krazy Dawg, son, a killer.
I saw me, level back saying. We tell us so we not take sponsor from the boy. All who spending no one money, go so. We not take no sponsor, we not buy out like Big J them. Watch out.
Krazy Dawg, money top for them and borrow. Them buy up son and son boy for dead.
Hey Big J, you for run left your son and they are this son. Hey boy.
Krazy Dawg have key.
Watch out, man.
But them use fight why? I make you think them go sad. Montego under them yard, yo Krazy Dawg. We have.
Hold on. Level. Krazy Dawg this. Son boy. Oh no better no size up, you know, count and go dead tonight, you know. But see, me say we are gonna kill them tonight, you know. Krazy Dawg there, you know. What we have?
Click pan click. Krazy Dawg gun big. Shoot and no miss. Is a big long grizzly.
What up?
Black chip Krazy Dawg murder them quick. Crazy.
Level. But see, me not even go into the song here. Who do want to mash up in here? Watch out, me I go mash up in here. But see, press play.
International Sound Clash Wednesday. A dance man attack. You know me have to say 40 words got 39 bomber clot good. It's sound when you Makla. With DJ Helmet and Big J. I know me come for kill. Una dead tonight. In a beauty. Bomber clot. Dance.
All who say dance, say hello.
Hello. Dance.
We don't kill them boy, I know.
Bomber.
Hey.
Krazy Dawg sound. Father Booker. Hyperdan.
Look for that son boy and tell them.
Perry. Yo, Stewie. Eddie. All a girl take a bomber clot there.
Hold on, listen up.
Father, tonight Krazy Dawg charge murder.
What big J do?
You sell out him brother. Fit when he pack a craving here with helmet on.
Them boy are sell out in a bad stain. Mister, we are gonna kill them some boy. So maybe just kick them in the face bad stain. Every bad people in there, jump up and down.
Yo, Krazy Dawg.
We kill them boy in there. Hey boy, Cherry Cougar, you see all you?
Krazy Dawg chop off a head with the chopper. 16 chopper, long like waka. Krazy Dawg run out again with the bomber. Head
level. You see that sound when you Krazy Dawg, we don't sound not like we. But you now go dead tonight. All who say we kill them, nothing son boy. Make we tell them this.
Yo, Krazy Dawg, which pussy no want see we with a new WDV. Them no want that in our suitcase. We feel like the sugar in the Kool-Aid 35K. Dropping our new chain in the coupe shoes. I fear the shoes. New wave pussy I got John. Too brave.
When the man them know see you number a gun, go sign of the year. The man them know say friend of boy this year go own him down and scope out him head. You see Krazy Dawg in there tonight. We say we are going to shut out them boy head, you know. Go some bad word for me. Who they are tonight?
From them this one, I know them this all. Fucking clip down, no gain a response. Could have been a big one. Price is zigzag. I could chop them up. So like mix pan.
Hold on. Big up in general and also from a boy this year go circling black. No. I want the circling black, you're not making get to it. Hey boy!
Tell them I walk on the deal with try buy. Be a rifle man of them and go pipe. I want see man.
Hey boy, you don't have no song boy. Listen song.
Mad I would even what would I then not tell long. Tell them run up and run in high carbon. Headshot face black lips crazy.
Level more than that me need you. We tell us here Krazy Dawg response to all of the young artists them. All who some of you use bricky song and kill them boy. I'm tell you something.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, what me tell a son? You coulda big like King Kong.
Hey boy!
Shot make you look like ping pong. Rifle make you coulda dance and do ding dong. No dub plate, me they get that boy. Hey, no too
level.
Then a select.
Some of them boy you not spend the money for dub plate. When we go a war we fight. When we just shot Jericho and the boy a big day.
When you touch the scene, them say the youth at skull back James, please.
Every gangster in there.
House and car, we say the two sad baby. Can't talk to me and in a soda. Krazy Dawg know the code to make it moolah. Rat that brass, Benz, police can't.
Everybody in the top up and down, make we kill them boy. Level. Mr. Yes, tonight, the song that we name Mad Rush. And the one when name Matlock. Me can't tell about them tonight, dog.
Every song I get.
Let me tell you the one tonight.
Every song I get wipe. Yeah.
Let me tell you the man.
Every song I get wipe out tonight. Slaughter in a sound clash tonight. If them dub splice we are fine on tonight. A Krazy Dawg sound on tonight.
Hold on. You see the sound here of the body set of selector them. You see any dance we go we hold them boy. Cloud clash with them.
Dance fucking.
All who say Krazy Dawg fi kill them boy. Who no jump up and down in there.
Hey.
Wait.
Move out the way. Krazy Dawg kill a sound boy today. Move.
Wait.
Hey.
All who for level back here. Level. All who come a war say war. If you want to hear war song for your money, say war. Turn it up, nobody needs here.
All right. Time. If you run from the preacher man, 6 man bringing you back. All who say Krazy Dawg go on good, bust a blank in the ear. Bust a load of blank in the ear. All right. Mad Rush step up. Remember shipping done, you know. You know, so the company they have free shipping everywhere in Montego Bay, you know. I know them have a back to school promotion I go on right until September. So just go sign up free. You know where going, you know. You should just give me the number, me just call out the number, make you know everything go. Ship it done. You know them a part of the sponsor. You know everything set.
ENT.
Alright. So here we go on now. I want another bad sound. Sound I go dead. In the morning. Me no know who. But 2 sound I go dead. 1 I go stand. Only 1 trophy. Mad Rush me boss. Tell me what go on. Alright. Yeah, use your microphone. Alright. People, make so nice with Mad Rush.
Yeah. Big up yourself.
Mad Rush, and we they can't touch and such.
Good. Everything are engineer. Nobody come back around and stuff here tonight, you know. All right. Right to say that. People, me not lie. Tonight I feel like for just smile with the ladies. Them come a girl them look good. I'm alright. You understand? Whether you are full white, me wear no a full black. You understand?
A killing time. The boy with him headache, the boy that would talk look a while. The little boy there. You know, I pass street crowd look a while. I said, the boy that would talk walk like y'all. Why you walk like y'all, sir? Eh? Headache, I don't know, and I miss the woman them. And I miss the woman them. A juggling go on look a while, or a war then come. A juggling me here look a while, you know. All who have a real friend, all who know you're not bad mind, all who not grudgeful, a warrior there. Play a war song and call name on these people. All who say me fi kill boy now, come.
Well, I don't know. Small axe fall big tree. And this is the Mad Rush sound.
Oh, and Mad Rush.
With Father Lennox. All massive from
The people
Sparling,
about this, come on, come on,
Francie people, big
come on.
up. St. Elizabeth. And you don't know Clarendon people. Exalt. Because this is Mad Rush sound and this is Pat and Tony.
I saw we kill people, listen.
Mad Rush sound and murder. Mad Rush sound and murder.
All who say one start, that's all. Lord.
A murder. Come Mad Rush sound and sound killer.
Shoot the boy.
Mad Rush again.
The boy. I want to come and juggling, you idiot. Lever, they're going to play one song. They say any man night dance will make man feel them up. Don't put your hand in a ear. All I man them are straight like the Mad Rush man them. Put your hand in a ear, sir. Right, sir. Put your hand in a ear, sir. Watch out. Jump me, sir.
We kill sound from New York and Paris. Tell Mad Rush sound say them a Chuck Norris. Sound for dead with a thump and back and kick. Big 45 and make them left the district. Them dead. Kill them all the way from road.
Me say son, me come off and kill me, no come to waste time. All who said that for dead.
You wrong fi gun, trouble the Mad Rush. Tonight he will kill you. We are one you clown. You wrong fi gun, trouble the Mad Rush. Tonight he ma go kill you.
Lever, headache you can never kill Mad Rush. Mad Rush can't dead. 15, 16 years or more now. All who said Mad Rush do it in a year. Smalling! Yo!
Why you dead, you want go dead? Mad Rush them both cop up. Jump and jump. Dead, you want go dead? Mad Rush put the plate down in them head.
What I do?
I'm not gonna let you go. If you never diss the program, I'm not gonna let you go. Mad Rush king champion. I'm not gonna let you go.
May I play a big song in another round here? Come here, one set of juggling the while. It sound like I want party me in there. I know war when I come. All who say war, boy, I see light of them round here.
Modern sound.
War will come.
Killing sound.
I say 45 day here look a while. Who do I hear war?
Mad Rush it is a killing sound with some good fashion.
Time of your play. Yo. The kill sound boy and I.
Early morning.
Back up play on the box now, boy.
Skid up today. Mad Rush sound.
All who come to see sound that light on the ear. Yo.
Mad Rush sound is Bobby Bennett sound. Mad Rush sound just throw a sound right down. If anyone should ask you who's the Mad Rush.
People may have to play a new song for bus dance. All who are here so real song. Play a song.
Big up to myself, I blend that says so.
Play a song.
Rastafari,
real song.
Listen, watch it. Murder them and burn them with fire.
Yo!
Mad Rush, a A1 killer. Slaughter them and burn them with fire. Mad Rush, a A1 killer. People sound boy with big.
People may not rush or something, I know. Yeah, some boy rush them dead and dead fast. I not much to say. A killing round this. All who wants this sound there. Are you ready?
Go with Mad Rush sound.
Are you ready?
To the dancehall. Dancehall.
What's your leader go war this?
Go with Mad Rush sound. My love. To the dance. The dance of love. I wanna tell you.
you come and watch your crowd need a big up all who come to support the sound. But you see my people them what they are. My people them.
Lift up your head and hold it up. I Mad Rush sound. We know that we win the prize.
Ready, boy.
Oh, time. Yeah.
Go you support them then on the song. Krazy Dawg, you play like your chord.
Long some test the Mad Rush. Them have to run for cover.
Boy, Daddy Undertaker. All I man them can defend themselves. Put a gun finger in the ear like so right now. What the bad people loving about me there?
That's a Mad Rush. And it sounds.
Better go and play a new song.
Never know who them run from this. Shot bout them 9 Velcro man Chris. Hey, Mad Rush, the Phoenix sound. Man a bad man, man a bad man sound. Yeah. Well, certain boy I up and I send the church. Well, none of them don't know 'cause them to find out yet. Got them on the big
let me play some regular same way. Regular. Regular. Tell you about this.
Say Mad Rush is a sound killer. Killing some young fans and
yo, how we not see no sound different.
That's how we are wanted.
Almighty God.
Mad Rush is a sound killer.
Yo,
killing some young fans and we not see no sound different.
Headache. I hear you call up my name. Headache, no, I respect that. Because if you're not important, nobody don't know you. Nobody not talk about you. Big up all our people who know say you saw people out there who don't rate you. Or when you go on road, you par with your friend them with a madman. Or if you have gun, you walk with your gun. Hey boy, Headache, I can't tell you something in that morning, boy.
Yo, touch it.
I can't tell you something in that morning, boy.
Yo, check it. I didn't know the boss here, 76.
Yeah, but no song. Look at boy.
Mama say feel a fi gun, but me nah leave it.
In a pocket. Falling.
What the Mad Rush screwed up in that place? They could murder everything. Murder!
Learn out to mercy, we not get it back yet.
And I saw, I'm just sending it from the east.
Level!
I want to see.
You say you're going to murder Mad Rush. Murder Mad Rush now. Murder me, the boy.
Well, me I go kill your son. Hey, Mad Rush so rough. Kill any son. Well, Mad Rush so rough.
Yeah.
Kill many son. Well, Mad Rush so rough. Kill any son. Well, I've been killing these sounds for the longest while. We can't for them one for style. Hey.
Level. No way in I roll when me go. All if a sound clash me go. Me have to big up my mother. You know when my mother texts me since night and tell me, Jerry, me know what you can do it. Me don't have to tell you say do your best in general. So we don't watch talk and we don't watch crowd. And kill we come to kill.
Now where would I be, Lord? Mad Rush so
all who love the mother, we have you not here, so. We have you not here, Solomon.
Mad Rush, the love it is the thing that put up of you. No host, not a girl, not
a boy.
You stand firm in our life, nothing about
you.
Yo, from them born, we are them apart. Some only are the princess.
The woman them a proud of your stretch mark. Bust a blank in her ear. Me a look in her crowd. All like woman them never dash her belly. Who don't put your lights on their ear and sing no.
Everyone bust a blank for your mama. Light up for your mama.
Level.
Mad Rush sound pull up. Level. For your mama. You're proud of your mama. Sing loud for your mama. Make she know.
And this a sound afraid of. Mad Rush. And this a sound afraid of. Matlock. Krazy Dawg. We down the town. Do you feel like a one job me come here for the boy. One job me come here for do.
From day to day, Mad Rush play. We're taking all sound boy life away. All when something fun try and say.
Yo!
Mad Rush and menace the society.
Yo!
But they don't know what is life. Why Mad Rush kill sound a day.
Yo!
We murder kill sound all night. Mad Rush are the real killers. Mad Rush ready.
Long time. All who ready for war. We are sitting right here. Well, lighter than them. No harder than you. We are sitting right here. Speed.
Yes, from you see we born as a sound killer. Mad Rush sound born as a sound killer. Yes, from you see we born as a sound killer. As a sound killer. As a sound killer. Boy, from you see we.
Headache. Are you first place? So I have to kill you. Or I have to call for your name first. Because Matlock no play. You come here, call up my name, Go do your research. It's a Uno want me give headache a little message. Uno want me give a message.
Mad Rush.
Let me give a message.
Some young boy them.
Boy, you go kill Jericho and Mad Rush. Look a boy.
Mad Rush tell them young boy don't know Sam. Them don't know Sam. Them don't know Sam. My daughter go on.
Say young boy
don't know Sam. Them don't know Sam. Them don't know Sam. And I talk about a shot of them. Mad Rush crime beat and butter them. You know see a pay chat of them. Oh little chat of them. When them man do with man back of them. Mad Rush crime beat them down and flat of them. This is your man at.
Vlog in the man. No, no. We don't come and cut no LP. We come and kill sound. You see the second I'm going to play now. Request to all our people that will come and know say, oh, fairness or fairness. Everybody come to support them sound tonight. They say tonight a big song may play. All who are here some big song around here.
Big up yourself.
I'm on rushing at you. All who are here some big song around here. Big song now, man. Sure.
So yeah, me good people.
Big song.
Yeah, yeah, me good people.
Big song.
Yeah, me good people.
Big song.
Murder them. Mad Rush sound. No sound test. Big bad sound.
How do I go a class a long time? I'm going to play some new song. Lily.
Geek up.
Who do I hear big song?
Mad Rush not gone away. It's special.
Well on. I tell you, no, what I'm going to say, no. You see, man, they will go boo, who don't love Krazy Dawg. Any man who fuck Krazy Dawg, say boo. Say boo. If you love Krazy Dawg, say boo. All right. You don't have to quiet now. You don't have to quiet now, man. Listen. I don't come out with no intimidation. I don't take intimidation. I can play a song and kill sound. Play a song and kill sound.
Passy, get ready. Tonight, Mad Rush sound, you're too deadly.
Any man say boo, love Krazy Dawg.
Oh, no, kill him again now. Mad Rush attack again now. Murder them, man.
We don't rush, man.
Some operator boy, them getting confused now. Just a Mad Rush when them know that they lose now. So Mad Rush.
They're going to play one song. That song, every song can play. Big up all the original sound, man. Them we listen to Sound Clash long time. I know a big song. A black cat alone can play this away here. All who come a sound war, not juggling. This is the one here.
Hey.
Listen to this.
Lord of mercy.
You don't kill for a black cat and chronicle. Hey, what a combination there. Listen.
She goes out to the man in the street. She say, sir, can you help?
Do sound like world playing.
When it's cold, I have no way to sleep.
Oh, no, listen.
Mad Rush sound, can you help me? Lord of mercy. Whoa, think twice.
Oh, no, listen, man.
It's just another day for Mad Rush sound.
No, I the first this I play down here. You don't see how long me forward down here. I the first this I play out the box. All who say me fi kill Krazy Dawg. Put your like that here. Who the way I say that here.
In the night.
Boy, play this.
In the name of the Lord, Mad Rush knocking.
Stop.
I only get.
Road boy, let me tell you something. When we say war, we're not jump up on a proving thing. Because the Krazy Dawg fans them and the Matlock fans them and the Mad Rush fans them. I say you go. We don't come a war and everybody fear. Everybody come to see their own sound. You understand me? I say, big up all of the people in the party right now and I clash right now. We come off a hench and yourself sound clash way. I'm not juggling, you know. Big up all that man that come off here, so real song.
Mad Rush.
Real song.
Number one.
Let's set the play, man.
You're the sound with the
Slow it down.
Sound boy, you're joking. Your laptop is smoking.
We're gonna kill a little sound tonight.
Play some big song out there, box man, easy.
Don't want your dippy sound when Mad Rush is around. You all are come around.
Oh, Mr. Big song out there, box. Play a big song, boy.
We're killing the sound.
Who do that song? Oh, we have lots of them here.
Killing all the sound.
Who do that song?
Isn't it strange how the sound and thing?
Big song up, play, man. Oh, rush. Show.
Walk up this, man, rush the dancehall kid.
Why?
Just while common people like you and me will pay big money to see.
Time up. Make so nice in Mad Rush. Hey, remember say, anything in the 2000 genre. And they saw that juggling, that 15-minute juggling, anything in the 2000 genre. So you come to Sound Clash Wednesday, big up the whole of Montego Bay, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney. Big up the ladies, them, on the look, spendy for us. Like on the look, on the come out and look good. Remember Jam Killer, you know. You know them now, Tiger sponsor, big up Bury, you know, big up Shippydan. You know we're going on free delivery anywhere in Montego Bay. Right around the clock. You know, so them lock off around 6 o'clock. So them are deliver right up till 6. And you know the free promotion there. And you know the back to school thing there. Them have everything. See? So you know how it go. Right? So, I'm not lock up again, you know. See? Leave people business. Matlock, press something again. Let me hear something because the MC forward on us, you know, because the time start when we press the clock on the phone. You know what's going on? All who want sound dead say sound for dead. Some sound are go dead. Me no know who. But I want trophy. And that me see, I don't know, trophy sniper. One trophy, see there? Look for it. One. No know who I go call a key. Let me look for me. Watch them go on there, so. Hold the microphone, me done.
Boy, Jerry Kruger. The people them say 2000 and up. You go 2000 and down. I saw you like go down. Jesus Christ. Idiot now, you. You talk about deporting. You can look for a military weapon and say me get deported from foreign. Play that Nicki Minaj.
Good night, people. This is Nicki Minaj. Let me tell you something about my pet dog, Krazy Dawg. He likes to lick it before he stick it. He likes to eat his own shit until he has a bad stain and headache. His father is Booker, who is also a freak, who likes to eat the dancer girl's pussy after each party. We are going to change his name from Krazy Dawg to Scoop Dog. A matter of fact, I'm going to kick him out of the yard.
Gonna prepare the saga, Mr. Vodka, some scone chat on board.
Mad Rush!
Level! Representing for the big band.
Mad Rush! Take that one here and call your mama and tell her, say me say.
To them trendsetter, but them a try. Oh, city li been up, no sound at all. Matlock no friend up, disrespect Big J. Watch where boy run go end up.
Mad Rush!
Hey son, go suck your booba till our pussy go. Me here will make you.
Play the next one. Headache. And the country one named Bad Stain from St. Thomas. What you know about Moby and gun, boy?
But I'm a try. Oh, city li been up. No sound at all.
Everybody you can see them Flanker, Gully Gull, Canterbury. Where the bad people them there?
Matlock bust the rifle, make the shot them go. Sound like us.
Big J, come play your sound now. Because they say me nobody know. Them say you alone can defend this. All of them forward we're about, you know. All of them forward we're about. Watch you now. Come here, my brother. Beat people to sickness now.
Yo, good night, my people. How are really going? You know, say, it look like them have something planned up. I shouldn't play that sound until Bujo start. Come play for Krazy Dawg. I know them have something up them, Steve. But I'm not afraid. I don't afraid. I don't afraid. But all right? But now I hear no man. All right? Krazy Dawg play like a round robin him there a while ago. And the brother named Jerry Kruger. Boy, I don't know you manage the guy, you know. Right for them long dog. I don't know you go manage. But before we go there, so. But I bless it now.
To the fullest. Future next, Matlock sound. The
bless
fullest,
it for God Almighty, man. That's something I deal with.
Future next, big up yourself to the fullest.
Matlock
to the fullest. Matlock sound don't play. Listen, man. We give praises the night and day. To all our time, we always.
Yo, man, bless it before me kill off the whole of them in here. Crazy Christmas and cost no bad one.
Oh.
All who believe that the Almighty put your right hand on the air. If you have your lights and turn it on. Cameron, watch your forward there.
X. When I rise early in the morning, I see love in front of me. Matlock sound.
Don't mix it, you know.
When I rise early in the morning.
All who have a Bible at them yard, sing that song aloud, make Krazy Dawg here. Turn up again. Turn again.
You're again. When it no take nothing at all. Fear the king. Matlock sound.
Level.
Win. It no take nothing.
Level. I saw the war start. All who say me fi kill them from right, as I say, kill them.
Well, it's a battlefield. Heart attack.
Yo, a war time now. Yo, sing again. Hey, I'm going to drown in that song. I want them there. Over your son. All right, over your son them there. All right, shut them from now. Level. All who want sound dead, wave your hands from side to side. Wave it. Turn up again, daddy. Wave it, turn up.
Chanty, mountain massive. That's all.
Why you not there?
Business and leave Matlock business.
Yo, I'm pull up too much song, daddy. Give me some. Level again. A bad man sound the side pattern. Take a gunshot, yeah.
This is a serious time, son boy, you gonna die. Matlock can kill son boy tonight.
I'm a set, I'm a say Moby, I'm a say Flankers, I'm a say yo, Paradise,
I'm not like them want this fire gun shot in now, ready?
Sound boy, you violate Matlock, sound bad man, if we go kill you.
Yo, boy, son again, daddy. Level, all who are burning farmer, gun and a lighter, burn them, watch her.
Anyway, when I see son boy try step to it, Matlock can kill them from far.
Oh, no.
Matlock let them know.
Don't see how yo, black are there. Who are make them sing? Who are you them sing?
Son boy shall show you.
Yo, son again.
One in. Matlock sound about this in the world with teas.
Some boy can't go back where them come from. Me a done a paradise.
Now you're man from morning. Matlock sound you were done. You put up with your woman, you not put up with no man.
I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that.
And travel fox land up plate in a way and we murder jump on. Bam bam biddy bang. Another sound dead so we kill another one.
When me come here for kill sound, me not come here for waste time. All who not afraid of people, every bad man find the gun on them in the ear.
And the big sound.
Give me some speed.
Hey, Matlock, give them a clip full. What are them at it?
Shut them like a rifle.
Mix with the some sound boy. Look the watch you watch it, chatty like a peeping Tom a mix. With them out of massive.
Level. Need a Krazy Dawg. Mad rush. As a matter of fact, no sound of me can't kill this. No sound can't kill this. Watch out! Down in the ghetto. Who are them fast? Who are them fast, daddy? Give me some. We don't want to waste your time.
If you love pum pum, put one hand in the air. Put
one hand in the air.
Yeah, listen,
if you love pussy bad, put few hands in the air. Put few hands in the air.
Hey, give me a rock there.
If you hear chichi man, bust some blank in the air. Bust some blank in the air.
Anytime we start, we have any boy have them rock and can't wave it. That means there's something wrong with you. All who are shot, Matty boy have. Hey, we can't say that. That's not a bad word. Go on. Yo, give me drum roll. Drum roll, daddy.
What the man them will love boom boom bad.
I saw me watch it. I saw me kill them. Every man watch straight gun in the ear.
Oh yeah. Fuck y'all a mad love pleasure.
Hey, mad man don't like money.
Fella. Hey, all who believe in vagina, wave you one like a car wiper. And sing.
Eddie, walk like a girl with a name on for the whole of the girl them a be. Take a gunshot here, no!
Like they are burn them out from them roughly number 2. Cause I will never stop. Always keep the fire burning. Cause I will never stop.
Any man will walk like a girl, a batty boy. Me can't say that. I'm not going back.
So the one that you but no to but no to
start again.
But in them up.
Father, like you know it work, you know. DJ Eel.
Alright, put her up with my sound.
Watch out then, Matlock. We'll from a little bit. We been a hustler. All scraper. All paper chaser. Left chatting for later. No time we stop. Matlock a rise to the top like a vapor. No boy never touch me.
All of the man them when they know so no girl can't call a name pan. Nothing for the double. Bust a blank in the ear. Bust a blank in here.
Yo, Matlock a kill them. Hey yo. Take a good look, Matlock blood clot name in the wild.
I want to do that. No boy can't tell me.
Violate up, put up on the fucking tile. Some sound of fish.
Yo, we not volley for friend, you know. Boy, you see Canterbury and Paradise and Norwood. See them bottom pen. Lock up pen.
On the corner, Matlock sound ready to go kill every bumbo class sound we play on the corner. No, as you might know, no pass it outside the man up on the corner. Be a get a youth to them and a whole one fight. Tell some life on the corner. Me you a guy by your head and couldn't never see another night.
Them say we sell out. Big up yourself. You know about loyalty, I mean. Them say we sound rich and we not play no Moby artists. All who come from Moby and rate Moby artists, put your gun under the air and wave them.
So them a catch a snatcher, boom boom water. Them run in front of we go none should never. We say we pardon Peter Archer.
Yo, that was not different. Take you forward, me not play back. Hey.
Some boy funny.
Me have too much song to play, me don't want no forward. Different song we want shot them again.
Hey, something making a news.
Shot them again, daddy. How the laser matrix there? Alright, daddy, there. Big up yourself. Yo, play song, daddy.
Buy some in dogs. Hey, this is Matlock sound is standing on the floor. Kill some.
Oh, this too easy.
For sure.
Matlock, come back down the sound again. Watch
listen this. We'll leap a dub in our back, no tune to play. Sound boy about for mercy. War time. Matlock can kill them tonight. Alright. Like the sun not gonna shine for them no more.
Yo, turn down my sound. Turn down my sound. A pure woman follow the sound, yeah. And couple gangsters and couple wanted man. The man never love punani, bust a blank in the ear.
I mean, I said DJ Tampa, I mean, I said
punani, turn on the light on him. Eddie, get shot again.
Y'all dash reggae road and some sound boy a play stubborn and don't want none. Matlock catch him at it pan Bible just wait till you run. Then this us with burst all gun. International galleys we have woman on yard. Bed some asleep on ground. Matlock no wash no man pan sky god and no tailor. Matlock kill them for fun.
Real friend and real friend. All who there with your real dog them. Yo, well officer, well respect ya. Bust off your friends.
Matlock, we friend them good, we are friend them good.
Yo, I come lock.
Matlock,
all who there with your friend them, bust off your friend them.
Friend them good. Matlock, we not sell out, we friend them. Now got this, we friend them. Be a blessing in Matlock.
Yo, a bad man place me come from, so me have to be a bad boy. Don't mix it. Youngster, informer. All who can defend themselves, fight the gun under the air. Turn up, song.
Chip clap, alright, we tell them fat clap. We shot pussy, we not touch people boat. Pussy one of the head bust out, feel no chip clap. Half no shot in the soap. Then I figure so forget the next dozen well. Shot pussy, we not touch people boat. Pussy one of the head bust out, feel no helmet. Half no shot in the soap.
Firebanks, you want song when music kick out your teeth, yeah?
Kill them slow, slow.
Firebanks, you feel the song over there.
Hey, Matlock, what the boy? We are shot boy in their mouth, them teeth jump out. Won't get whiter. Sing sound boy drop, fans call it cop. Them a prime fighter. Hey Matlock, we make an escape in a quick flash.
Yeah man, I so want it.
One heap a sound of this, one heap a sound of die. Them this Matlock, the pussy marrow off the fly.
The way we love the girl, we split that song in the gunman way.
And the dinner tonight, helmet come make we kill them.
Kill them. Kill them. Watch a girl and bubble pan gunman song.
How you want me to do? Boy, leave them head in a toe. My roof flash all over this and dance tonight. Matlock come on and them in the dance tonight. Boy, help me the business a hoe. Father,
you want the custom this? I don't want the custom yet. Wait till Buju start play.
Cheto a kill them in the dance tonight. That's the lecture they are for us. In boss boy you coward. Matlock kill them.
I want me coming to come for waste of time.
Oh God. Hey, me no Matlock. I'm a gun when you sing in a book.
Yo, you saw me there.
It goes so. Hey, na. Hey, na. Murder jump on tonight. Yeah, yes. Hey, na. Hey, me no Matlock. I want we do. Murder them jump on your door.
Yo, a gunman sound this any boy don't like it. Chuck off. Turn up a song and let me kill them.
In a blood clot face, so we clap shot. Tell them say shop clap.
Boy like say them head in campus.
Them should have seen yourself up. Trend set a hair.
Now fire upon people. Wanna light your brighty.
Make my radio and fly with a laugh with people. Risey Matica, run them up.
Shut down and answer. Hear me the man.
Just fire shot that is fire.
Leave the place flatter than a book bar. When you go we fire bullet.
Somebody say about Glock and Pen and Melbourne.
I ain't a boy face it put shot. Hey. Them know we are killer for vehicle. No HV squeeze chicken how we still are. Cause we are recycle bell. We gangsta guerrilla.
Yo, I joke this. All them seminar play no movie artists, I joke this. All them seminar play no movie artists, I joke this.
Matlock, you got the gun store with nice style with last station. Pick up my body for them to the rastration. Tamper with not your frustration. Him just like a big head at the gas station. Maybe store me nice style me last station. Pick up my body for them to the rastration.
Don't want back fire in there.
Paradise is a little place. Bad man, I know silly place.
No one a different.
Me and me not original ways. Who are the other run?
Oh yeah,
call out the killers and killers.
Someone you juggle with sound daddy. Someone you juggle with sound daddy. Are your time? Watch yourself.
Your time done. Your time done. Make some nice Matlock sound. Bust a blank for Matlock sound. Light man, turn on the light. Crazy Chris, stuff. Forward now. Up here so I do it, you know. Remember River Impact, you know, the dance I go loud, you know, the 12th of September, you know. You know that going on, the tropical bliss. Make so nice for 3 sound them, no man. Then go on good, not true. All who say Matlock go on good, bust a blank for Matlock. All who say Krazy Dawg go on good, bust a blank for Krazy Dawg, no man. All who say Mad Rush go on good, bust a shot for Mad Rush, no man. All right. All right. All right, you know, it's a Krazy Dawg go first. And you think go now. You go show the animal, you go keep them up because we count them. See? I'm going to put up one and I'm not confuse the thing. Hey, what that mean then? What go on?
Anybody put up 2 and we not count on the hand. Simple as that. 1 hand. So all who try treat the thing and feel so we not see. We are see. 1 hand we don't need to put up. We don't talk. Any man put up 2 and we not count them.
All right, we're going to start with Krazy Dawg first. Because you know, say Krazy Dawg start the rounds. All who say Krazy Dawg take the round. Show off hand. 1 hand. We are count. Keep them up. Don't put them down. Keep them up. Don't put them down. Don't put them down. Keep them up. We are count. We are count. We are count. Hold up the hand them. Keep them up. You know he go. Big up all the promoters. Big up the whole of Montego Bay. Big up the ladies that like how they come out. I want to tell you now. Some are hot. I want to tell you. Keep the hand them up, 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 up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Don't put them down. Keep them up. We still account. And we not make no mistake. Keep the hand them up. And me say hands up, hands up, hands up. Like police, stick you up. Put up the hand up. Krazy Dawg fans, put the hands up. Keep them when up done count. All right, we're going 89 for Krazy Dawg. 89.
And next thing, watch this now. You see all who are put up their hand and I take it down and I walk around. Brother, yo, I'm seeing you. Seeing? And if you don't continue to do it, we go continue count over, brother. Just stand up, put up on your hand, and do nothing. All who they walk around, me they soon, bro. Me don't know if the next two man them are soon, but me they soon. And me now count to no. You see me I say? Yeah, man, anything you say, man. You don't have no mouth for talk, you don't talk. A fear war we are dealing with. All right, how much a dog thing? 89. So Krazy Dawg, 89.
89 for Krazy Dawg. Remember the number. 89. See? All right. We are going mad rush now. All who say mad rush, take the road, put up the hand them. We are count. Keep them up, keep them up, keep them up. Keep them up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Put up the hands up. Put the hands up. Mad rush fans, put the hand them in the air. Keep them up, we are count. The accountant them there, cheer them. They don't miss pound figures. Hey, 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 hey. 38 for Mad Rush. Like I see him number we account. See him set of people them. All right, Mad Rush. 38. 89 for Booker. All right, so here we go on here now. As we see a fair game we play. This come like a draft. Here we go on here now. All who say Matlock take the round, show of hands. Matlock fans, show of hands. We are count, keep the hand them up. Don't take them down. Keep them up, keep them up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. And we are count them up. Keep the hands them up. If you run from the preacher man, 6 man bringing you back. I must say a 2 casket, you know. 6 man bringing you back. 6 man. DJ can. And I put up my hand. Just forward, you don't know what they're going. The mere Firebanks, big up yourself, you know, every time, you know. Coombs Lane, big up Sound Viper sound, you know. One sound, you know, say, you come over there on the parade. You know what's going on. You know the reggae show there, it go loud. It's free. Place I go black off. You know. Golden brown. Dust. Remember, cups up, you know, the 22nd. So we're going to tell you how the score, you know. Crazy Chris tell you the score, you know. So you know, big up the party them. You know the one there from my brother, Sian. You know what's going on. Cups up, out of flank on the 22nd of August. See, it'll go loud, you know, on the netball field. So we are telling girl them for all. What the bad selector go do there? Pioneer. You know that going on. Maestro. See? What go on?
Where give me talk a phone for? Oh, them pepper spray this money, aye?
Not my eye. Well, go on.
Hold on then. All right, watch this now. Watch this now. Because you see, if you don't remember the clash, hold on. Shh. Hold on. If you don't remember the clash, we always say, you see, some of the time, when the sound man them break a rule, you know, have to stand up feet. You understand? Some of the time, uno have to fight feet and say, yo, me hear that, I me see that, I me read that. No, you know, hear profanity in the rounds a while ago. With sound. All right, so what you go on now? All right. It is. All right, so watch out now. Come up on the stage. No man to the stage. So what you go on now, people? What you go on? Mark lock. That word you don't say, that's a profanity, you know. That can't talk on TV. Eh? That can't talk on TV and everybody here. You understand? So, we're going to lose our points for the B word. People, B word is bad word, bro. Anything you can't say on TV like that, a profanity. Dog. You understand? Fear is fear. Fear is fear. Which bad word that? All right. Watch this now. No, watch this. No. That a true too. So watch this now, people. We want to remember, you know. Because watch this. You see the profanity part? Sometimes you just watch them, you know. And I make it slide. But you see, from once the people them all accountable, you know go get it. So watch this now. Listen now. So, watch this. So McClock lose a point for that. See? So listen to the score. Hold on. Listen to the score. And guess what? I know what people tell me. Me hear them too, but I ignore it because uno na say nothing, so me just set so. You understand? So watch out now. McClock lose a point. So McClock they are 7. Krazy Dawg they are 6. Mad Rush, me hear when you say that word there. The F word there, me hear. You understand? Now the man them point 30. So fear is fear. Mad Rush 3 points to lose a point. So sound man, it's simple, you know. Simple. Just keep the clash clean, make the song them cost the bad word. It's that simple. It is that simple. So watch out, people. People, we're gonna have a 7-minute break. So just go and go use the bathroom, circle the bar. 7-minute break and then we start again.
Win the round. Win the whole clash. But you are going. You say if we have a tie, it will go tune for tune. I'm going to repeat myself again. See? Any sound with enough is points, win the whole clash. But you see, if we have a tie, it will go tune for tune. So you go with best of 7. Best of 7 song. See? But right now, we're going to pick up some sponsors, because you know the sponsor kingdom there. So Crazy Chris, you know where you go.
Again, we have to pick up Jam Killer, our title sponsor. You know what I mean? Big them up to be on board. Big up the brewery event place, right? As so people book the venue for the bad party them. Cedric's Wholesale and Retail, I don't know, Barnett Street that. Pleasure 21 nightclub. Outer Danway. You understand? N-Stec Limited. You don't know a flanker that the right side of Baba Joe for no phone and them thing there. KRZ. Sign and print. You don't know a Krazy Dawg HQ that for the bad print them people. Flyers on the board and the this and the that. See? Top M Records. Barnett Street, same way. The bad studio. Ship it done. The bad shipping company. The Martins Mansion. Iron Shore. Father Big, you don't know the mansion that. So see? So just book the room them people. Ballon d'Or street fashion. They don't know what Kenny marital thing that big up Kenny in the house same way. Alright. So what going on the host the most? What going on now?
Alright, you know, we're going to start from Krazy Dawg, because you know what that's why there again. As I tell you now, you see that around here? Any song you don't want to play. But remember, MC, no, for profanity. You must say that if you can't say the B word. Alright. Alright, make you say it again. In a Jamaican terms. No, because nobody would. Not even Batty boy. I mean, alone can't say it, because I don't look no points. Where you count? Hold on there now.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, but them a bumbo clot though.
Laser Matrix, big up yourself, you know, man. You know what's going on. Kenny Marital, everything good. Mikey Classic, everything alright. Alright, Headache. Forward, big up the Krazy Dawg family, you know, them there. The whole team.
You know, Massacre represent the Krazy Dawg sound. But this blood clot sound.
Krazy Dawg! How our work?
Yeah, me no Krazy Dawg.
Yeah, man, everything alright. Remember them so much time start when I play my first song. All who hear them playback song, put up an hand in the ear. Boy, me not tell like Mad Rush. In the year 2000, I don't know, gone way over one place over there, so. But I feel like I adjust something tonight. Sean Combs, where you there? Show yourself. Sean Combs there. Hey, Batsy, and press play right there.
Krazy Dawg. Every day them group up in a little dirty thinking studio. I chat about dog this and dog that and what's it not. And them not talk about the whole of them over there. We turn Chinese man from where they. Oh, where is it? Yeah, man. I be a cat them name. Krazy Dawg, I go send them got Chinese cemetery.
Hold on the Batsy. All who say sound for dead right now, put up the hand them in the air. Make we just murder
Krazy
them boy
Dawg
and
sound.
done bad stain.
Me I say Boka, me I say
Hey.
Bojo. iPad and no boy na iPad and me I say bad stain.
Left with a bad stain.
Fully bad, me I say ends out.
Hey, man,
Perry,
like how we say
them
now
know
bad
it
son
going
and not
already,
play.
me I
Hey,
say
hold
call
on,
up. Kick it off like a
Hey,
ball.
see all over.
Krazy Dawg son, kill them one and all, you mean?
Oh no, low! Hey, boy!
Whoa, yeah.
Listen to our sound play!
Krazy Dawg son play.
Look how we are going to play a song in. Watch this!
Every day, yeah. Krazy Dawg son a murder.
Level! All who say sound for dead, put up your hand them in the air!
Yeah, son boy, your life gone. Don't wanna hear you play. Don't wanna hear your song.
Wait! Level! Remember the sound here, the 27 years in the business, a bad man sound this. You see the boy when he Big J, he afraid away, and we run mobile. Listen to Krazy Dawg play, don't play. Listen to this.
Krazy Dawg son you a done. You come for kill a jump and cause you a done.
Hey, man, listen.
A done. Krazy Dawg kill another one cause you the done. Krazy Dawg a done.
Remember, hold on. Level bad stain, come and chat to them people here. You see, if you go up on Google and type in dog, you see one 4-foot dog forward up. You see, if you go up on Google and type in Krazy Dawg, you see one evil looking dog full up. Let me tell them about Krazy Dawg son.
Krazy Dawg a big sound killer. Don't you know?
Every gangster in the go so.
Got to be a winner for Jah.
But it, shoot up in there, man. Shoot up in there. I war with it. I will burn up them book. I'll not stinking Jerry Koga. Level. Dirty Jerry Koga. Bumper, tell me your business, dirty boy. Listen to this.
It was clash at first.
Let's put up kill them boy, yeah, man.
Dance the night, and I knew from that moment. Krazy Dawg sound was going. Goosebumps came.
Level. Me say if you forward you have to sound for that, put up the hand them in the air. Make we kill them dirty sound boy. And dirty matlock. All this.
Hey, you over there, so let me tell you this mumbo.
Hello.
Krazy Dawg come here so for murder your mumbo clad. You ain't stuff like, but do no mumbo clad. Why wouldn't want the dog ready
Level.
to dump it down? I'm not chatting out.
Or you fi forward in an international Sound Clash Wednesday. And now play Ninja Phone AI. Hey boy! Listen, big song in here.
Hold your life gone.
Listen to this.
Far, far away.
Hold on.
Dog, what you do? Got done the sound with blue steel.
Left for man stay. Come on, the people them here listen to me. You see the sound when him Krazy Dawg sound? We they in the business from 1999. And no boy can kill the dog here. The dog here, bad man dog. Me can't tell about the dog here. Who don't listen in here? International Sound Clash Wednesday.
Yeah, na.
Who don't listen?
Kill sound and sound in a bungle. Sound from Rima, sound from jungle.
Level.
Kill sound and not
Level. Hey, Matlock, level. We don't say we don't have bad sound and we can't play a bounty. But I'm going to be an artist me going to use and shot you. All who say Reggae King for kill you, put up the hand in the ear so me are looking at the crowd. Let me kill them, nothing sound boy. Who do listen? Cool and deadly. Listen. And this sound boy run up.
Krazy Dawg, shoot them up. Oh, hey, I'm inside some chase out. Come cause I'm showing that you know. No, the boys right.
Hello. From them say sound for dead. Call we. From who say sound for dead. Call. Turn your bad sales. Kill them boy.
Hey, Krazy Dawg, we hunting.
Me say we have to kill.
Something. Sound a berry anywhere we confront him. Gun they are ready to select and black.
Hold on. Some man want to talk about a bad son. The son here the whole leap in the business and no fight we got. But we still a kill son boy. Hey boy, Jerry Koga.
Have you ever stopped to think what make a sound
Shut
dead?
him!
This Krazy Dawg and we pull you up a lead. In a take nothing for we shut off a head. Cause you not ready to catch
Level.
boy. Have you ever
For you see them dirty boy there. Jerry Koga, helmet. The one right just when him Big J, the one when him Tampa. We are gonna shot them boy. They turn it up.
Krazy Dawg down go bow.
Weird.
Oh, if the kill man for
We saw anybody somebody.
A Krazy Dawg a run bow, you know. So if it dance for something, then
What's
sound
it,
with them
son?
like go, yo.
Niggas, you know. Hey, yo. Everybody knows about blood clot.
Back we kill them with Monty. All who say Monty, go so.
I want to them, Perry. Me sing, soul and batty and no pound them around me. Passing me dead so them can get fi mound me. But the boy can't come on.
Hold on. Left for bad stain. Them boy are weak fence. When you look on them and see say them fear weak Krazy Dawg. I buy out to no foul for buy out. Hey, make we kill them boy, you know, man.
Tell them say we no like. No hypocrite and parasite create no light. No Batman and Saddamite create no life. No nigga send them over hype. Fancy where you do your fight so called.
Level.
Hey, but you win no life.
Me forward fi kill Matlock. I be forward fi kill Mad Rush. But me a kill 12 rounds too. Me a kill 3 son boy tonight.
You think me no know the post. No like it. See them all hype up, but that still no spite me. Krazy Dawg a kill and go choke all of in the way.
Hold on.
And none of them.
Level. Me tell you, so them boy are dirty freak. Watch them. Look on them over there, so look on them over here, so. Them boy you put them head on that girl frack. Ask them a question.
Man, why you weather do one?
Hey, boy!
Way, you mean you put your mouth down there? Down way. Why you weather do one day? Way, you mean you...
Mr. Mac, we kill them!
Should I never do it? Never eat. No uncooked meat. Nah touch a book of teeth. Nah see money. Talk about sheep.
Oh no, Toppy nice. Firebanks, look off the light there. You want me sure no say them boy that we name Jerry Koga freak? He woman bumper give in secret. Hey, but see in press play, we'll kill the dirty boy there. People don't listen. Who don't listen keenly. Press play, DJ.
Firebanks, we are depending on you.
People don't listen Jerry Koga. Hold on, pull up. Wait. People, listen what Jerry Koga has said to Firebanks. Press play again.
Firebanks, we are depending on you. We are depending on you, pussy. If you come and send you get fucked to see him, man, I go fuck you. Oh.
All who say them for dead, put up your hand in the ear. All who say chichi man for dead, put up your hand in the ear.
Let me tell you why me say big yard. Them, nah fuck nobody.
Level.
Girl punani ya we property.
Mr. No boy can't play them song, you're Krazy Dawg there. Turn it up. Hey boy.
Leave me la.
swear to Jah, me never fuck party from me born. Neither Krazy Dawg. A woman we say give we all of them.
We are looking at the crowd. Every gangsta boy, who no jump up and down. Every gangsta
on them juba, boom boom. That the teacher
said. Shoot!
Dog full of gun pon the Gaza.
Level.
Run some boy fight.
Oh, you be say your mommy is son and you can't play no vibes cartel, eh, boy?
Where them a try, you must see blood.
27 years in the business, who me attack to?
Yo, Chris G, tell I
what you finna do? Kill them all and down.
Kill them all and down. All rifle all and go.
What's here, level? Level. Mr. Me now international, shoot up in dance. We come here to kill son.
Anyway.
Man, we kill them boy, yeah.
Anyway.
Hold on, level. It look like me important to Jerry Cougar, cause be call him and call me name for a night.
Krazy Dawg sound.
Jerry Cougar, you got that dirty Rasta boy.
Krazy Dawg.
Hey boy.
Alright then. Where them a do? Where them a try?
Just tonight.
Tomorrow we fly. Anyway.
All who come here for see son dead, put up your them in the air. Nature, let's make we kill them, no man.
Krazy Dawg no miss. Them say him a rice kind. Make them.
Yes, yes.
Hold on. Me tell you so we don't see no sound we're afraid of. We are bad man sound. Only thing can save in our fans. You see the sound that we name Krazy Dawg.
We're bad from we born, and that's why we go on so. Where we were born, we were born one. We're crazy bad from we born, and that's why we go on so.
Level more than that, no man. Matlock didn't have no song. Matlock couldn't have no song when you can't size up to Krazy Dawg. 27 years within the business and we have killed son from a long time. Make we kill them dirty boy, you know, man. But see, make we kill them now.
Yo, Krazy Dawg, they will get ugly. So me kill them a day like
hey boy!
Them boy they not up, them a junkie. Yeah, them suck the most pussy in the country. Hey Chris J, how do gully monkey? Him a no gangster, him a fa funky. So a man bust up him face, him a tell lie about him cash a go a country. Buka does have the double mouth shotty. Shatter sing like Bin Laden party. Not nice fuck your girl name Shana. She say you try fi fuck her.
Level more than that. Me have to big up trophy sniper, big up yourself. All who say Krazy Dawg and the baddest son boy, you put up the end them in the ear. People level. Dirty Jerry Cougar. Me tell you, say the girl where you use today with, what's your name? Bumper. She tell you your secret, dirty boy. It's the next man take her away from you. Pressly about saying.
Well, howdy. A new merciless. The son of
dirty boy, Jerry Cougar, Mad Rush.
Jet from St. Elizabeth representing for Krazy Dawg son. Remember we kill blood clot boy in a country. We are talking.
Level.
Jerry Cougar.
And people want to listen. Want to listen. Turn you.
Read him up, Warren. Boy, if you know say Krazy Dawg never mash up and can dead. I say tonight we are going to kill Jerry Cougar, blood clot, less and cornbread.
Level.
Don't ramp with Krazy Dawg.
Level about here. All who say we kill them freak. You put up the hand them in the ear. Turn you.
Kill all the freak jet, kill all the freak jet. In a sound class when the mad rush must dead. Kill all the freak jet, kill all the freak jet. In a sound class when the Jerry Cougar must dead. Jerry Cougar, if you know a secret, you da put you a mad rush, a mad like a tree. You nobody na the war, you feel some go bushy bumper. Shoulda cut off your tongue in our pussy every day.
Wait. People, hold on. Who want to know listen keenly? Dirty boy over there, so when him Jerry Cougar from Mad Sound. Hey boy, you're Krazy Dawg. Hey, play back a custom bad stain.
Well,
boy, you're freak. No listen keenly, people.
Merciless, the son of Warren from Clarendon, the Warren from St. Elizabeth representing for Krazy Dawg son. Remember we kill blood clot boy in a country we are town. You see Jerry Cougar. Remember the boy they suck pussy like soda. Watch ya now. Read him up, Warren. Boy, if you know say Krazy Dawg never mash up and can dead. I say tonight we are going to kill Jerry Cougar, blood clot, less
Mr. Beck, we kill son in that tonight.
Krazy Dawg. Ends out and boots your pussy and go like
what we are doing at the Ori?
Kill all the freak jet, kill all the freak jet. In a sound class when the mad rush must dead. Kill all the freak jet, kill all the freak jet.
People, Mr. Martin, listen.
Cougar must dead. Jerry Cougar, if you know a secret, you da put you a mad rush, a mad like a tree, little wookery. You nobody na the war, you feel some go bushy bumper. Shoulda cut down.
All who say freak for them, put up your hand in the air. All who say chichi boy for them, wave for them like a car wiper. Looking at the party.
We fight about the bull of them.
Krazy Dawg. All who say mad rush and mad lock for them tonight. What up? People, me I go tell you why we get the name Krazy Dawg. Because every sound size up them dead. Let me tell about the sound, yeah.
Yes, you know. I know, little bit of people we say now. Them never kill nobody yet and lie them a tell. Gunshot in a them brain cell. Police pick up the ear.
Make we kill them, the man.
See I stand, no fuck around and no pussy we yourself. Me nah send you go no doctor go get well. Gunshot in a your brain cell. Police pick up the AK shell.
Voila.
Clap it make the cops see. Smaddy a fi dead, and you threaten me fi box me. To be na your face, goof him get dropped. Him a rush him to doctor but
me telling you the sound now when name Krazy Dawg, do you know? And from mobile days were bad. In the under mobile, till today we have 2 truck park up around the garage. Let me tell you this.
You want juvenile and the money you call. You can you dance to pick up Benz and your son in the hardy. You don't have to walk to the blood clot ball. You all of them are call me legend and me not pass 40.
Hold on.
Granny said forget it when a young hearty. I have it straight, me no broke and party. Come plus off for someone full of shot.
Hold on, but see. Me tell you some of them son and them have seen a long time them have grown. Krazy Dawg have bad son from a long time. Some people say, why Krazy Dawg have so much son? We are going to tell you our business tonight.
Krazy Dawg start sell whites down like coffee store.
Hello.
Out high kick she now wash off your clothes. 17.
We can kill son and juggle at the same time. We have song boy.
Yeah me killer. Glass off it toast. Killer, me killer. Gun fuck off the most.
We not sister them son boy. You group up 1-1. We not group up with them. Why?
Yeah, you no mix and mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle.
Mr. Any class we go in and we kill son boy. When Krazy Dawg touch road, you know what I say?
Krazy Dawg. Oh God, see I did it again. Wait.
Hold on, calm down. My time can't up so fast. Me have one more song left.
Make so nice to Krazy Dawg, no man. What's a blank for Krazy Dawg, you know, as me said around here, anything goes. Win the whole clash. But you see, if it tie, you go tune for tunes. Best of 7. You know you go. Remember the score them, you know. Keep them down the head, you know. See it? Are you ready? MC, forward. Because you know, the round don't start until the song play, you know.
No, man, I know me are the MC. You are the MC. Hello! Alright, see you around now. All who enjoy the clash, give them, yeah, man. Clap on yourself, and when you can't blow no hand and this, big up a light at them and the hand them. Big up all who enjoy yourself with that clash. People sit around now. I want to hear what I say. Because they call one name, look a while, named Jericho and play singing. I wish Jericho got that. This advice a sound like that device, eh? I hold it up, I go on, no, brother. I don't know. I'll hear some one girl named Bumper. I don't know. The amount of girl me have with them bumper big. Road boy. I don't really joke there. Me have one surprise. Me want surprise for them. Me have one surprise for them. Because they play custom for man and the first one this mega play. And it kill everything. You hear me I say, drop the bomb them now.
Oi there! That is it! Hear me now, Mad Rush, me done talking a dog. I gone talking a yo, hear me now, Father Lennox, play with him. Jerry Kruger, you know, hear me say, no long bomb buckler talking. Play with him. Sure. Oi there!
Headache!
Boy, violating one Glock, me say. How about that, General? Yo, Mad Rush, forward fi kill some clown. Kill couple pussy hole in at them own town. Dash them and see, make the pussy them drown. After tonight, me bet to know. You know see, none of them around. Your father Lennox, them think you new to mobile, them must see idiot. Remind them say a hard street man give you the first Glock. Your pussy, where you know about Roseites and Canterbury man them. Trust me, them will make your fucking brain splash. Bout dog, we don't need for go retire. On good thing dog good for piece pan car tire. I remember before. Oi there! That is it! Hear me now, Mad Rush, me done talking a dog. I gone talking a yo, hear me now, Father Lennox, play with it.
15 minutes, me can't play back.
No long bomb buckler talking, play with it. Sure.
Listen.
Oi there! And that me say.
Someone no young, don't know history. Don't know history. Oh, don't listen history.
Yo, mad rush forward fi kill some clown. Kill couple pussy hole in at them one town. Dash them a sea, make the pussy them drown. After tonight, me bet to know. You know see, none of them around. Yo, father Lennox, them think you new to mobile, them must see idiot. Remind them say a hard street man give you the first glock. Yo, pussy, what you know about Roseites and Canterbury man them? Trust me, them will make your fucking brain splash. Bout dog, we don't need for go retire. I'm gonna think dog good for piece pan car tire. I remember before dog stick the pum pum, him lick the pum pum. What kind of nasty thing that I am? I'm gonna think dog good for piece pan car tire. I remember before dog stick the pum pum, him lick the pum pum. What kind of nasty thing that I am? I'm gonna bust them head, then drive way. Half price for charge for the killing pan a Wednesday. When you think them find the fool's body, same Wednesday. We are top coach for shooting like Pat Riley. That come talk loud, so we squeeze few on the short one, bust it on the tall one. Over when we pass, we all see them all a chalk one. Tell them no violate, cause mad rush no talk long. This 1 o'clock you're dead, 1 second past one. Yo, from a wall, just make the link. Work mash before you queen. Left the full body a stink, a easy thing that stink. Wash me hand, clear.
Oh, you see it? It's so easy.
The way we do the
You're so
work so fast,
easy.
we all stop and buy drink.
Oh, Oi, me tell you no, you can't kill me. You will never kill me. They love talk about, oh, Jerry Cooker, you don't know no more beer. You come from Manchester, St. Elizabeth, this, that, rare. You don't know no more beer. More beer, this, more beer, that, more beer, rare. They might play more beer artist. So what? I want Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, they right there, so. Yeah, if me did a madman, me walk for a cent to come on more beer. I see a country. So what you talk about? All who come from Moby and real. Moby, me play Moby artist.
Man, rush song. One buck on the body sound. I'm going to say your father, like.
Sweet up here. That me play a Moby artist, boy. What are you?
Man, rush a Sparta. Hey.
One more. All who some of the kill them. Later than here. Later than here.
As them start to be catch a body. Big Jacks.
Darky now. Darky now.
Yeah. I said I run, I go kill you now. No way.
Darky now.
I said darky now.
You always like darky now.
The man number box a one a gun lighter than here. Yo.
We say we out there clapping the jet.
All them man them no borrow gun like Krazy Dawg. Them put on that here. All who no borrow gun, no box a one gun.
When me tell you about Clarendon, no take no chat, you know say we things them long. Things will bust.
The man over straight.
Mad rush sound, don't apologize to no sound boy this.
What the words got 39 good. Done them never shot.
Krazy Dawg, where's some on a new song, a new artist?
Mad rush sound. Go for the bag, we never fumble. Dark with dark, we no humble. Mad rush. And look where the sun do. From Black Island.
Wait for the song.
Mad rush them a play upon the lane too. Put a 3-story house in a jungle. Tell it squad you no fi me a fi father Lennox. Big bumbo clock Clint in a Whistler phone a when in call.
Krazy Dawg. Near Matlock style and no look while no can't open in the mouth. No can't this thing, man. They won't do afraid of Matlock. So, me who no has strength for? Me who no can't strength for me, no girl me say. But chuck off in ID if it's part of Akosal. Who all water?
Badness all the time, you know, my father hear that.
Me say my Dutch son, no afraid fi kill nobody.
All who not afraid of people lighter than here. Lighter than here.
Chobumbo cry, if you no rate mad rush, them no rate you. So you can go suck your mama straight up.
Sure, boy.
One Jamala top.
What there's something on a new song? What there's something on a new song?
No boy can't tell you very much.
Father, regular day we in the sound class. Regular day we kill a sound. Penny pack a craving near the pan the yard. Yeah, I bread a smoke and a bazaza. Sound wetter than the bass.
We're going to show no creativity. We're going to show your creativity. Now, be a so second player, and I'm a play regular. Nobody now get no forward, you know. But when voting time, every hand a go up. Me not see nobody a get no forward. All out there, up and see sound dead, put your eye here like so. Jump on!
True believer, you know, man, not a new believer. You know, we not say 40 words, cut.
Why do not afraid of people like to hear no man? Life!
We never give up, dog, we not stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait one time, kill sound, you fuck, dog. Yo, Mad Rush.
Be so Barrington leave here play. Krazy Dawg, Matlock. I saw baby Barrington leave with them there. Who do I hear money, boy?
I'm the intercom, Rosie, time into camp. Figure, listen, MADD Rush, them I murder some sound.
Lever. Headache, me tell you. You have to select a call my name, so me call back your name. How you tell the people about me, I call up your name. I say you're important, you know, more than me. Me I go tell you something that night.
And brother,
tell you something that night, boy.
When I love, when I like, them sound that test. Kill them for the land of just kill them, make them text. Oh, we shoot them by the little whoa. And they into time low, the time into town. Figure, listen, MADD Rush, them I murder some sound. Oh, we shoot them by the little whoa. And they into time low, the time into town. Figure, listen, MADD Rush, them I murder some sound. Oh, we shoot them by the little whoa. MADD Rush here large.
People, let me tell you something. What level on that, no, man. Nobody no perfect. Nobody no perfect. Every selector used to clash. So, you understand what I say? So, if one little word slip, I saw you go. Nobody no perfect. Every sound know how the thing go. But I'm going to show you something now. Headache, earlier you say, Jerry Cougar are the thinking Rastafari over the so. And you go kill him. And you go murder him. What me ever do in a life make you want to kill me? Or make you want to murder me? Headache, Krazy Dawg, listen to me.
Oh, Lord. So never dead in the war. So
all who know they try to kill MADD Rush, all I want them.
MADD Rush tell them before you start war, think it over. Run come this MADD Rush, you must get because tonight them go for left mind. This is MADD Rush, I know them must lose them life.
Any boy we are cruff and any girl we are cruff. We don't wash in the light and I hear. All who have ambition.
Fire blocks. Tell the media that's the one of tech chat. The ruling sound. Hey, MADD.
All who have ambition.
We kill a sound. 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 MADD Rush sound a run the compound. Kill sound a country. We kill them a town. Tell you to be goal, for the goal, for the goal. If you put a jump and sound in at the hole. If a miserable life, put it on them headstone.
What kind of merciless that Krazy Dawg play a while? What kind of Krazy Dawg merciless play a while? Eh? New merciless and a real merciless. Eh? I thought about you come from Clarendon. New merciless. No, don't have balaclava. I wish I think of. I sent Elizabeth. I want part down, not true. Eh? So wish eh? Let me play the real Leonard. That way you can't this not play for night.
Mr. St. Elizabeth, it's worried. Never mash up and can dead. Chopperton, Mr. Maypen, and a play pen.
Let me play a real merciless boy.
It's a Glock 40. It's a gunman party.
Let me play a real merciless.
MADD Rush, Mr. Father Lennox. Hey boy.
Oh boy, Matlock.
You ever build a cup of shot out of 1 cent? You did know say Father Lennox are the president.
MADD Rush.
There's some mother that play for night. What kind of mother them there? Oh, look about war! War!
It's gonna be smart student, flowers burning, war up, fly like pigeon in the deep blend.
How are you the boy?
MADD Rush, fall, mama, bad boy.
Say, mama! Hey, what are they? Jesus, peace. Now, look, we feel like we play one next custom, because they play custom power for a night. From night, I feel like I want to play one next custom for them. But prepare for you, you know. Don't ramp with my career. Krazy Dawg, let me tell you something. There's nothing you know about Jerry Cougar. Matlock don't even know Jerry Cougar. I don't even know who name bumper. I don't know who name bumper. You get to the facts straight. Say it. We love the girl with the big bumper, but I never had a girl name say it. I have 5 baby mother, be about 6 picnic. Learn that. You never research that. All right? Good. But we play some song in that around.
Hey, Krazy Dawg. Hey, Matlock. It's very, very foolish for you to test the Maros son, you know, senor. So that Father Lennox and Jerry Cougar will murder your son for the jinka.
I ride on the right bumper, you know. I look on it.
Son boy. Boom. I can't the man say so. Shut them.
All who said off in the lights are here. Turn it up, Lolo. Turn it up.
Krazy Dawg.
Level. I saw a clash with the little custom.
Mad Rush kill Krazy Dawg by day and crucify Matlock by night. And every dub Mad Rush play, Krazy Dawg them lose them like if it's all night. Mad Rush kill them all night. Mad Rush murder them all night.
But still, me never know say you never rate me, dog. God know. All the while me see you heal you and big you up and say your dog do road. I never know say you not rate me none at all, boy. But here I know. I have something for you. They're going to play one song. Hold on there. Hey, dear. They're going to play one song. That song is a friend killer song. That song I name my friend them will betray me. We're not real. Because you talk about Matlock sell out. You sell out. You. Because you call me name for a bumper when I don't know about boy. What you want to do? What you want to do? Hey, let me play some song in the back. No. Let me play one song. I can counteract it. Can I counteract it? Alright, let me counteract it. Listen.
Enough of them are going like them a friend and them my enemy. Act like on a real, a chicken back and call me. Act like you're great, you're fake, you know, no dub plate, you get a piece in your face. I hear me a Mad Rush sound. Father Lennox, you a bad man. Warlord Saxa, Chiggy, I hear me whistle people dead. Read him up.
You set me up to kill me, I kill a first.
Mad Rush step up in a life. Father Lennox murder the sound guy and take him daughter and him wife. You hear me Warlord Saxa, man a bad man. When you say sound for dead, alright. No! Oh no, that sound like that now, 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 champion, so look at it now, so look at it now. Number one. When you're in a your home, so love a mouth, and you want to run out your mouth, so little love a mouth. Mad Rush.
Hey, no new song can kill me. No new song. They're going to show your own new song if you stay one side. You a new song of young people. Big up all who come up with sound clash. Who remember this song?
Blood clot, soul gone to hell. You can play the Lord W. Wap jump and sound tonight. Me say you want to lose your life.
What Mad Rush?
And if you this, Mad Rush big sound boy younger than you know. Don't forget who's gonna rule this town. I know it's gonna be Mad Rush sound.
I know something fiction there.
Talk party. Phenomenon 1, phenomenon 2. We got the permit to bury and the license to kill.
Boy, don't make no friend with me. I set me up to kill me both. Go ahead. A time?
Yo. Make so nice him, Mad Rush. He ain't go a good another round here. Make so nice him. As when me tell you, no say, anything go in another round here. Remember say the sound with enough his points, win the clash. But here I know, you know say if he tie, he dey go song for song. 7 best of 7. So you know say Matlock a step up on the plate, you know. You know you go a Matlock. Alright, make so nice to Matlock sound, cause you know I'm a company board, you know. Why for the coming now? Yo. Big J, forward. You know it going now. Cause you know say it's time. Start. Jam killer big up, you know. So it going now. Big J, step forward.
All right. Welcome back to the Christian Clash. Christian artist. All right, here we go on now. Make that pass. But all right out there. How the war go on? Them are going good? Boy, Krazy Dawg and Mad Rush is a disgrace to Sound Clash business. You know, some of almost fall asleep and go out there, so. I want to tell you, so the girl them sleep and wake up back here. We don't want to wake up in here. All right, Sound Clash, start.
I mean, I say Matt Glock roll out with the fat Glock, you know. Kill a sound boy and then give them girlfriend back.
Start the war.
Mr. Ruff, the mom said, Queft, them in one version.
Start the war and it's same time.
Helmet. Watch an old trendsetter, I said, you know the thing going, you know.
Start the war, right, just up.
You don't know Paradise Crew. Sing that ding ding right. Sing ding ding that they're going.
Yo, start Batman war, right, just up.
Matlock kill that sound, now they shoot out. Now what is man?
Yo, give me song again.
Them Marco, Matlock we a go murder them.
Yo, no way I go.
Sound boy, you
we
don't
almost fall asleep in it.
Sound a send a sound
shut
to
them up.
Matlock sound a rise the rifles.
Big 12.
Me and some mother don't play here. What them feel like we money done? Them feel like we money done?
This is what Matlock sound is like. Roll out in the range or more time I ride the bike. I test it a girl with pussy tight. And that's some bad mind selector. Not like from your mother.
I joke war this.
Oh grandpa, oh God. I'm saying, yeah, man, I'm saying big 12. Oh God, I'm saying more.
That really made them all room. I put on watch a slow killer. Everything dead off in our road.
I big 12. Out of fire burning. Whoa. So young girl, yeah.
Me some holy passing up here. I'm done in it.
Matlock keep the fire burning. Whoa. You think them sin no blood and run yet? So not dead yet.
Level.
You think them stop was not.
Now warrior, joke warrior, Christian warrior. No call me back for your warrior. A gunman sound this.
Yeah, hear me. We are one them and them never want here. Big gun pop off and now some
all who can defend themselves, fight the gun under the ear. You sit tonight.
Me tell you what a rascal Sound Clash this much.
Sing again.
Celebration style like all the time, though.
And John don't need song in there tonight.
Hey,
drop down in no shame.
Tell them this.
Who don't know shame?
Like when Montego full of shot. Empty out a clip in at them and them young killer.
Move some more.
You with them.
And the big singer, Rainy Wonder.
That one is different. Dead exclusive.
Pull them up and bullet. Bullet. Full up and sound boy a bullet. Big 45 man lock down front of bullet.
And some bigger sound and them I'm ready for. Them and baby to me. Song.
Boom.
Cause nothing but guns and ammunition. To kill the sound, it's a easy thing. Matlock a easy thing. Matlock gonna empty the extension.
And the combination this.
Sound boy,
alright, level.
Everything out of the building.
Level. Remember play a song for my ladies. Them ladies are alright. I'ma play one of the favorite artists. Ladies and alright.
Matlock sound. Me say me thankful so that Dobia just a spin by your turntable. Murder idiot jump and yes we willing and we able to kill car we are done. As humble as a lamb and anywhere we play with sound we never need no helping and them come a pray for health and strength of life and then.
Anytime you see that sound you know I wanna do I wanna chat say. And Paradise me come from me can defend any chat me make. Song.
Talk about phones. Talk about doors.
Hey,
Matlock murder sound boy forevermore.
Level. All gimmicks in done, all sound dead from right, yes sir.
The reach the 10 sales of even.
All sound dead from yes sir.
Big G, Matlock, pile up all of the gun them. Keep them.
As a matter of fact, don't play about that. Oh, John on with song in a dirty drunk on no shame. Read him.
Don't for now say wanna be.
Oh, real war come, level. All who come to say sound dead, gun on the other. Watch her.
Listen now. Matlock sound will play every time. Sounds can wait there on the skies.
I want
for the best but it's better than what.
Everything I did.
The wickedest time in Matlock a play. I will but eat that sound up you run away. I will but eat that sound while I'm the mob you gone away. Yeah, through my
my sound is the number one.
Run over them with song. We have too much song. Don't give me that.
Come to my black sound. That in my ram jam.
So get there.
See them down. John we point there. All the idiot sound them a go ahead.
Mommy, you wanna witness one of our favorite sound dead in tonight. All Krazy Dawg fans,
me
sorry.
Boy.
Sorry.
Cause them say we with dub and them not run now. Them say we with dub and them not run now. Lunatic side they got them just brought the stadium. Mad lock them murder that until the top down. Murder that.
Well, I'm gonna be a paradise. CLM, bad please. Murder people from
what them say money down? Cabra.
Mad no bomber clad. Headshot.
Cabra, shot to them.
Well, mad lock a murder pussy. We no give no lie. No make sense a lick a pussy, please no cry. Yes, a tempo when we hear them a gal. No like nobody sound.
See
we have your gun. Well, I say who fit
Dirty Jerry Cougar, you feel like you get to it? Don't mix it. You take long for call me name. Afraid of mommy. We're not doing nothing, man. We just so beat you up and kick you over blood.
Don't know say what. Matlock sound.
How the dirty trade there?
What do them?
Where the trade there?
A Matlock are the killing
where the trade there?
Shut your mouth when the Matlock talking. Disrespect gunshot will be barking.
Don't you try gun this.
You know the Matlock we not shoot and miss me sing again. Well, shut your mouth when the bad sound talking. Disrespect gunshot will be barking. Why not try and come this?
Yo, I have some here in the one. And the last round this. Them say if me win that round and the clash done. Me have done the warrior right as on the round.
I know you.
Me have done the warrior.
But I know you plan.
I now play another round.
But don't include we. Still here we are. Matlock sound like a murder. A jump and sound boy.
Level.
Them longing from shelters.
This name combination.
But why should we worry?
I'm going to play the wickedest set of combination them in there. Make that one play. Make it fast.
So far away. But we've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow?
Yo, give me my artist. Yes, look, I'll give me some speed for him. I don't know why. Sing again.
All of them bumbuckler, jump on man. I want him to tell them, yo, anyway, Matlock won't do it. Cause I know man, no mind, no way.
Jesus Christ, no smarter fun no there. No smarter fun no there. What them?
Matlock so crazy. Before you gunshot in a brain.
Oh, all my phone about.
Some boys see the link and feel the link on the chain. Right?
All wild cat sound on the dead too.
Intimidating pain.
Shoot everything.
Make it look like a scarf on the main.
Ring. You don't know some pussy dead already. Watch on a man.
Hey, listen already, man.
We never tell you no for trouble the Matlock sound. We never tell you no for trouble the Matlock sound. We never tell you no for trouble the Matlock sound. We never tell you no for trouble the Matlock sound. I coulda mad rush from Manchester. Oh the rascal, you a fuck your own sister. I coulda stay west from down a Westmoreland. We ever see how far them can run from. Interceptor from Trilani. Big man, you fi stop Nyampunani. Done rich, rough cut. Reggae king from down a senti the world.
I'm telling us that I warrior too lick come in our head. No sound down you can't kill me. No sound down you can't kill me.
Watch out. Me a naturality. Test my clock, we will get
crazy Chris, listen creativity.
Naturality. Matlock will kill them easy. We don't fear nobody. Body, we not run from nobody.
Yo, when me kill them sound now with these, watch it.
Tell them come true, for Matlock come true. What no matter what them say, we no matter what them do, just tell them come true. Say Big J come true. Come up and do the cat the lock on every avenue. Can take the train line and go circle.
Let me answer my question. Them say me cuss bad word. But me couldn't cuss it for me. Don't mix it. And if I pass the one not like we.
One bag of chat in them the so they so out your mama where with the hypocrite Matlock sound say and we energy your club dream with the hypocrite
I run them out of song in the night. Watch out.
Let me tell you about Matlock badness. Let me tell you about
easy.
Matlock sound.
Come and say
look how much rifle they are so good on. The first time me come here, so me say go gun. If you feel like a young
after warrior done, I'm going with the trophy.
I'm Matlock sound at the jump right now.
Kill a sound in the dance right now, yeah. Feel around them off in plan right now. Lock sound in the dance right now, yeah. Jump on in the cup.
Oh, now get sung in a overdrive and sung for no money.
We kill them bumbo clad better. The ABC this man, letter. Alright, no boy can kill on this arm. We take no gun from we. Soldier no squad in a security guard. In a body, no body. Enemy no part.
Yo, I pattern your peep.
Black can go get gunshot. The boss out a boy head back.
I pattern your peep. On alright, Johnny. This name everything dead. Oi! This name everything dead.
But done talking to that. Bumbuckle that. Hold there.
This name everything dead.
No lock. Just tell them say sound I got dead. Them a fi ask Christ. Who a back tough from who a make nice. Tonight in a crazy Chris sound clash. We a go prove say we and them sound they no size. Yo Big J, just expose the liquor fraud. Bout them crazy. No, yo is a batty dog. Just remember ends out did say him catch Bujo a fuck iPad and over book a yard. Them think we no member. Say them catch hype stain with a transgender. A headache a sell batty like him a vendor. After the clash at tonight, Krazy Dawg, you better surrender. All the one mad rush I go on like him get where you man. Tonight Matt like I go beat them up bad. The boy want MC for mad rush sound. No seats at a boy they a fog. That's why we no heal them. Them can't friend nobody will come from seal them. Paradise bad man said that we fi nail them. Glenn Devon, Green Fan and Flanker tell we say we fi feel them. Tell them straight.
Them boy no road code. Them can't chat to it. No boy run Krazy Dawg. No, Gallus. No, don't mix it. Mix again. When we tell them how road go. When we tell them how Gallus business go. I pattern. Eddie, text me.
Trendsetter. Girl to go
Eddie,
to Paradise Salem. Luton for
no road go.
Alright, you know
yo.
Matlock say pum a something where you know fi put your tongue in your face. Never make fisty down in a fire burn in ya. If a sound guy ever come in ya, Matlock rise the big gun in ya. Well, I know something for you. Put your tongue in your face. Never make.
Anytime you see that sound, you know how not do. Know how not Jackson.
From you see me, you know say you nothing trying to silly. Me must head for Matlock and them must head for me. What we all about? Stacking money for the belly. From you see me.
And a combination I'm going to play from night. No sound, not even pieces. No sound.
You started with you started, man. Boy, done.
All them sound.
Listen this.
Matlock on a man.
Yo, where the media camera there? Where the media camera there? How them can't warm in here. We are censored to every sound out there. Turn up again. Them seminar no bounty killer, but me have enough of them here. All who can defend themselves when the gangs are them, they turn up again.
Come on, love murder.
Them seminar no bounty, but me have enough of them here.
Me tell you, Ash, when Matlock sound talk, gunshot a bust up in a your bumbo clap. Pussy you chop, but the boy not say your next word. Fucking rain fly like bird. Yeah, me tell you.
Separate man from boy and man from dog. Bad man and gangster and farmer.
Can't stop. I mean, I see how CLM, Paradise, Mobile, Big J, Elmi, Tampa, Big 12. You hear me?
I want to listen to who this.
Go murder any pussy. Branding style and so we do it easy before you fuck with the farm.
I want them to listen to who this.
Yo, Matlock, blaze up the rifle and dash with them body.
I remember this, no splice neither.
Pre-Matlock, a grave and cemetery. Yo, Matlock, after all, rise against Matlock, you fall. So blood splash up on the wall, shoot up your car. Headless, chop off all foot, Matlock, run yard and a broad, they don't road like that. Never take no check, you must mad, that a good long a man. Them sound boy, they love relics, fool them dead in a war. Matlock no free, go murder any pussy.
Never show me time, exercise some song.
Move, gunshot, we get jump and move. We sound no malfunction.
Exercise some song.
Let's get got options. Let's in a sound before run.
Never show me time, exercise song.
So you say goodbye. DJ Helmet.
I'm close to the rhythm. Love a rhythm.
Jumper. Trendsetter.
Love a rhythm. I kill firebox.
Flankers. Paradise. P54 Matlock sound a come. Jump on sight him and a fit with him.
How you learn?
Them a chat about big dub and broke. All fuck on no see the murder a matlock buck.
Say again.
Things I don't know, it's a headshot. Run up on me and my dog, them a gunshot. Hey, Matlock son.
Yesterday final.
You see the blood cloud return. Part down from the pussy one leg long.
Yo, hey, pull on. Murder all you two, you know. Me a ramping. Sure.
Time done. Light man. Lock on the light there, man. Please and thanks. See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah. If you run from the preacher, man, 6 man bringing you back to the preacher. 6 man. And hey, remember, I know, 2 sons are dead. 1 son are going. I lose a matlock go and good bus a blank. Me nah forget the code. Turn on the light. Remember say the sound with enough his points just win the entire clash. But you know say if it tie, a tune for tune, best a 7. Let me put on the water. Cause I serious, cause me 3 partner them in crime there, you know. We go start from Krazy Dawg again. You know where you going now? All who say Krazy Dawg win the round, a show of hands. Put up the hand them. All Krazy Dawg fans put up the hand them in the air. Don't put them down, we are count. Please and thanks. Come in, Sean. Put up the hand. Krazy Dawg fan them. Put up the hand them. Push them way up, man. And top push them halfway, man. What not do? I must say tomorrow holiday, you know. Keep the hand them up. Keep up the hand them for Krazy Dawg. Keep them up. Keep them up. Keep them up. We are count. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Put up the hand them. 77 for Krazy Dawg. 77 for Krazy Dawg. The counters them there. All right. 77 for Krazy Dawg. All right. On you ready again? For Mad Rush. All Mad Rush fans. Put up the hand them in the air and keep them up. Put them way up, way up, way up, way up. Hands up, hands up. Mad Rush fans, hands up. Hands up and count. Firebank since you sell out. How much money you get? I know me see so. Big up the people that return out, you know. Yeah, man, I want to well behave too. Clap on yourself. Yeah, big up the ladies, well attire, look good. 48 for Mad Rush. 77 for Krazy Dawg. And 48 for Mad Rush. 3 somebody account. Me just a MC, bigger than late. Keep your hand on. All right now. All right, you know. We go up on the next zone, you know. We go circle the next zone. Circle, 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 circle. All Matlock fans put up the hand them in the air. All Matlock fans put up the all who say Matlock win the road put the hand them in the air. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Like police, stick you up. Put up the hand them. Hands up. What go on? I remember one hand. One hand. One hand. One hand. We're not going back away. Da da dee, da da da, da da dee, da da da. Why hear the numbers? Why, hear the numbers. Dust TV. Why, hear the numbers. All right. Matlock, 115.
This one is highly blessed.
Wait. Now you wait now, man. Wait now, brother. I'm going to knock you in the head with the mic. Oh, what is someone, man? Hey, remember, say me don't make no money yet, you know. Wait now, brother. Calm down. Shh. People, calm down. Relax. Eddie, say I want to count here again, you know. Say I want to count here again. Wait, you have something to say, Krazy, Chris?
From once, all right, Booker get 77. You say from once the count, Ghana 80 or some top count. You understand? So people, the scores now, Mad Rush. Which song play back, Bojo? Which song? Come and talk now. Yes, I know Mad Rush play back farther, but me must say Mad Rush score can't match up. So we don't look at it. Booker, you understand? Mad Rush automatically would have come third. So that's why I don't say nothing about it, bro. I don't like Maclock play back where you know that to that. You understand? Alright, people, the score now. The score, Mad Rush get 2 points, so them have 5 points. Krazy Dawg did their 9, them get 3 points. Where you go? Oh, them did their what? 7. And of them get second in the vote, so that are 3 points. So that are 10. No, them did their 6. And them get 6, them did there, bro. No, man, you're right. A 6 for true. No, man, a 6. Yo, I mean, I have a phone, bro. A 6. A true. Us. A true, man. A 6. A true, man. So, yeah. That is why we said it can be a tie. Because listen, you see, if Booker them did come first in the vote, them would have a 10. And then Maclock would they have 10. Okay. So people, Maclock gone with the novice vote. So tonight, Madlock is the winner of semi-final 2. What a clash, youth. I swear to God. Send for the trophy there. Big up to Madros Sound. Thank you. We hope soon again next year. Krazy Dawg. Call me in a mobile. You understand? So big up to Krazy Dawg next year again, if possible. But right now, people, them youth here, are really them first time them touch the battlefield, and congrats to them. Maclock forward now. No, the cameraman. No, not there. So people, courtesy of Jam Killer, Pleasure 21, Bury, Cedric's Wholesale as our main sponsor, the winner, Maclock Sound. They are and they now advance to the final, which is the 26th of this month. So you know say Sound Simon gone a final. No, Maclock is at the final. So next week, the winner of next week, I go a final too, and then that's it. You know, we have the 45 shootout soon. So Maclock gone at the final. You say something, DJ?
Hold on. Me have to big up Booker. Big up yourself, because you're really old. But Booker, I want to remind you of something, you know. You see, you have to remember which sound make you end up build your car sound till it end up in a big sound now. You have to remember Dan one. You see Dan one with you when you Jeffrey. Jeffrey start this.
This is Glenn Washington.
This of it Jeffrey.
Ooh, my black sound is playing.
Yo, pull up. Oh, a feature time? Alright, turn up it.
Now massive, let's rise and shine and give Matlock the trophy. Playing good music for we. Now massive, you should open your eyes and see. Let us sing and shout. Matlock sound praises forever. So
level. Pull on the key there out.
Wagwan ENT.